just want to understand if I'm marking my charts, what am I looking at?
Good, good. Well, what you are looking at, the market it presents to us what any market presents, many items for your consideration. The dating market, there are many men for your consideration. The real estate market, there are many houses for your consideration. The job market, there are many places of employment for your consideration. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. If we go to the market, there are many prices for our consideration. If we were to be in the market, say, for example, everybody who's new, how y'all doing? I'm Jay. This is the ZB. This is the 30-year Treasury bonds, okay? The
Mhm.
30s. And then we are on a 5-minute chart right now, which means each of these candles takes 5 minutes to be made, okay? When you're over here on the right-hand side, all of these are prices. Look at it. 117,
Mhm.
17, 117, 16, 117, 15, 117, 14, 13, 12, 11, all the way down. But when we go to the dating market, we don't want anything, do we?
Mm-mm.
I'm
No.
asking.
No.
Good, we don't want anything. If you had to find a perfect man, how tall will he be, April?
6'2".
6'2". And how much would he weigh, April?
About
Turn your,
180.
turn your camera on so I can see your face when you're doing this. So he'd be 180 pounds, 6'2". What will his complexion be? Talk to me.
Fair.
What does
Fair.
fair mean? Does it is how what is fair? Where is that? Is that somewhere around Coca-Cola? Is it somewhere around
Like this brown sugar. This brown sugar right here.
like a brown sugar complexion?
Like
Okay,
brown
brown
sugar.
sugar complexion. What about his hair? Would he have long hair or short hair?
Bald.
Oh, he would be bald. Okay, he'd be
Bald.
bald. Okay. Would he have any facial hair, a beard or mustache, anything like that?
Both.
Oh, he would have a beard and a mustache. What about tattoos or piercings? Would he have an ear piercing, a tattoo, any brands, anything like that?
No brands. The tattoo is okay. Piercing's okay.
Tattoos, okay. Piercings are okay. How would he
Mhm.
dress? Would he be more of an athletic, leisurely kind of guy that can just really dress up sometimes, or will he be like a dressy guy all the time that rarely dresses down? What kind of guy would he be?
In between all of those.
In between, in between. Tell me a little bit
So
about fragrances. Would he smell woodsy? Would he smell like
mhm,
vanilla? Would he be citrusy, or how would he
sweet.
smell? He would smell
Sweet.
sweet, sweet like vanilla, or sweet like a flower.
Mm,
Come on, talk to me
I
now.
can't call it. I can't call it.
You can't call it.
I
You would know if you see it.
yeah.
What about the tone of his voice? Will he have a shrieking tone? Will he have a mid tone? Would his voice bellow and carry?
Very,
how would his voice work?
very white.
Oh,
Very white.
he would bury white. Let me ask you a question. Is he an aggressive man? Is he aggressive man where he's always trying to demonstrate his power and strength? Is he aggressive? No, no, no. But is he a capable man? If his strength or power is tested, he knows how to demonstrate it at that time? Oh, okay, okay. Now, there are billions of men alive, but from your criteria, not all of them will work for you. Let me show you something. There are billions of prices for me to choose from today.
Mm,
But according to my criteria, not all of them will work.
right.
So when I'm sitting here, what I'm saying is, man, if we go up to 117.28, there's a chance that sellers are there. I can see them there now. Now, I don't think that they'll be at 117.30, and I don't think that they'll be at 117.25, but man, 28, that looks like there'll be some sellers there. So if we start going up, I'm going to watch out because that could be a place where sellers are. You see that? If I
Mhm.
can find a definition of what I want and what it looks like, what it smells like, how tall it is, then when I see everything else, I know that those things are not what I want. You understand?
Yeah.
That's what I'm marking my chart up for. I'm looking at all the prices and I'm saying that
Mhm.
now that price fits my criteria.
I have a quick question about what you just said. Because you said you
Um,
see them at 28, but how do you see them at 28?
how do I see them at 28?
Yeah.
This is a question.
Yeah, you said I marked it at 28 because I see them at 28.
This,
Oh, okay, over here. Got you, duh.
okay,
Never mind.
okay,
I see it.
it's all good.
But can
Okay.
I piggyback on that question as well? So you see them, she saw them as well. What hour, what time frame are you seeing them to be able to mark them?
I typically mark things in our room on the 60-minute time frame, but
Okay.
it doesn't really matter. Like you're very much a procedural person,
I am.
and the procedure only matters. Like imagine this. Um, do you like cooking?
I do.
What is your profession?
I work in the corporate, so I work for Verizon.
Verizon.
And hmm
Okay, here's procedure. Um, let's do cooking so it'll be very like something we can all understand, resonate with.
okay,
Um, you have two people at your house and we're going to make steak for them. But you got the recipe from the army chef. So the first thing that it says is take 80 pounds of ground beef and brown it in a pot that is the size of a Volkswagen.
okay.
Would you follow that step when all you want to do is make it for two people?
No, I wouldn't.
See? So your procedure, like what you think that I teach step by step by step by step, and I do not.
Okay.
I teach the way. And then you take the recipe and make it yours. This is maybe my third or fourth time observing a question for you, and yours is very procedural. And my warning to you yesterday was that if, like, what works for one does not necessarily work for another. For example, if our trade room was only 30 minutes long, I wouldn't use a 60-minute chart to find buyers and sellers. But if our trade room was 23 hours long, I would use a 4-hour chart to find buyers and sellers. You see what I'm saying?
Makes sense. Yeah.
Because it doesn't, I'm only cooking for the crowd in front of me. I'm not cooking for anything else. If I was trying to make another recipe, then I would use another set of ingredients in order to do it. Does that make sense?
It absolutely does.
Right, right. So you cannot be procedural by rote. It is unfair to do that to yourself because you're going to end up with someone else's. It's almost like a what's the lady name? Oh, I don't like this porridge. It's too cold. I don't like this porridge. It's too hot. So the whole
Goldilocks.
right,
hmm
the whole time you ate everybody's stuff.
Order submitted.
You don't know what works for you yet, my love, Goldilocks? Only do what works for you, please. Don't do that.
Order filled.
Um, on the dailies, I'm watching 4168. So it takes a little bit of doing 4125. Rather than asking how someone does something, moving forward, Tracy, you should ask, what were you trying to do? And
Okay.
then like the why will it almost always explain the what and how better than the what and how will ever explain the why.
Okay. That
Like,
makes
hey,
sense.
woman, why are you over there trying to lift a car? Women can't lift cars. No human lifts up cars. But if you take a moment, you realize her baby trapped under there. So it don't matter if people don't lift cars. She's about to lift a car today. You see what I'm saying? The why typically always explains the what and the how.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Thank
4 hour, I'm
you.
going to watch 4031. I got my eyes on, I think the 4061. I want to say that the party's going to be over here soon. I think that their selling time is over. I really do. And I think that it'll probably be one of the easiest days to trade gold. If you kind of, wait and catch that buy the right way, Jesus, you're going to have a fantastic opportunity in the market today. If you kind of wait on that buy, 4 hour, I'm watching 40.29. I'll give some love to 40.60, and the 40.45s, they get some love too. What an amazing sell last night from the 15s. And man, when they got to business, they really did get to business. I'm wondering, Justice, did you hold on to anything underneath 4? Man, man, that would have been nice, man. You sell something underneath 4 and it makes it all the way down. How beautiful would that have been? Um, this is the 60-minute chart. If there were any places I would sell, I'd sell 42.15. And I'm going to name a lot of them because of the energy of the market being so large. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm kind of gonna call it a larger range of opportunity of buyers and sellers. You know,
Order submitted.
41.90. I got a little love for 41.60. I got some love for 41.49. I got none but love for you, baby. I got none but love for you, baby. I got none but love for you, baby.
So once the market opened, you suggest we buy?
Did I say that?
I'm just trying to.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I said it will be probably one of the easiest days you have to trade on gold because once it turns, it's going to turn and never come back
Okay.
because of the overwhelming, So I didn't say, hey guys, when it opens, buy it. Because if I want you to do that, I'm going to say, hey guys, when it opens, buy it. I'll say it. I know those words. I'll say exactly that. But that's not what I'm thinking now. I'm thinking that when it does turn and it's serious about turning around, it'll probably skyrocket the other way because of how vehemently it fell.
Order
It
submitted.
makes no sense for it to fall this way. The market is built off of an idea of people having
Order filled. Order filled.
compromise, them being
Order filled.
people being in a position where they correlate. So the shape of a gap is a very violent thing to do to the market. It means that someone was skipped along the way, and no one wants to be skipped in life.
Order filled.
So when it starts buying, when it finally decides that it's going to turn, and it should be sometime here, around here, should really be very, very close to these prices, man. They should kind of chill out. Maybe, they got down here to 37, man, 36, 32. These are key places, man. They really need to chill and start going the other way. When they do, it'll probably be one of the easiest days on gold you ever traded in your life because all they did was pull a rubber band till you can't pull it no more. As soon as you let it go, it's going to go the other way. Just look at this candle. That is so uncharacteristic. Look at that. It's crazy. Nobody should do that. What other candle looks like this one? And all of the chart that we're looking back, and we're looking back as far as October 17th. What? You know what I'm saying? So this is one of those days you click the button and go the other way. You make $1,100 before you know it. You know what I'm saying? It's just one of those kind of days. And it can happen, So what I want people to do is kind of spy out that reversal, spy it out as best as you can. And when you spy it out, man, oh man, you start going the other way. You buy it and you cover it with your stop and let it kind of do what it's going to do. Because in my opinion, I really do feel like it should really go up a lot because of how far down it's gone. No one would want to, like it, just imagine the easy way to understand it, John Malif, look at this. This candle sold, didn't it? Everybody answer this question. Did the candle sell this candle, this hour?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What was the
Yeah.
top of it? What was the top of it? What's the highest point of this candle? What's the highest price? Does anybody know? If not, I'll hover my data bar.
4121.3.
41. Say it again. The highest point of this 4 hour candle, or what? I'm on the 4 hour chart. What's
Oh,
the
I'm
highest
sorry.
point of
Yeah.
this 41?
41.72.
41.72. Now ask yourself this: if your friend sold their house for 41.72. Do you want to sell yours for 40.52?
No.
Nope.
See? You'll probably not sell anymore. You don't even want to help the market keep going down. So when they do start turning this thing, man, I really do feel like it'll go the other way because sellers might agree that the value of the asset should be lower than it is now. They might very well agree with that, but that doesn't mean that they'll sell from the current position. We have to remember that what they do is if if um if people get good news, like they want to buy something, and it's right there in front of your face as a market participant. If you look at your chart, you'll see that the market is trading two prices, the ask and the bid. So buyers don't want to buy at full price. Culturally, we do this kind of thing. We think it's cool. Like, oh, they said the house was 4,000, or they said that the jewelry was 4,000, so I bought it at 4,000. But that's not how real buyers behave. If the seller asks for $4,000 for the jewelry, the buyer says, would you do it for 2,500? Isn't that how we negotiate? People say yes or no.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
if I'm a buyer and price is up high, I don't want to buy it up there. I want it to come down here so I can buy it. You see what I'm saying? So in this situation, say everybody does agree that the market should go down. That don't mean that does not mean that we're going to sell it from where it is. Hey, I do believe that the value of houses in my neighborhood is going down. And what I believe or what I think it should do,
Order
I
submitted.
think that all of the houses should go down. If you're submitting orders and you don't really know how to trade, I said on goal, you have to spot a reversal. We haven't spotted yet. I'm just putting in orders where I'm watching. That's all I'm doing. We haven't spied the reversal yet. So don't jump in gold thinking, oh, it's about to go up. We have to spy it out. So if all the houses are dropping in value, people selling their house for $500,000,
Order filled.
you don't jump in the market and sell your house for 500. You say, well, I'm gonna see if I can get mine for 850. You see, sellers, they always trying to get a little higher of a price. And
Order filled.
that these people that's in the market now, if they do want to sell, I don't think they will sell from down here. They might sell it from a little higher of a place. So that's why I'm saying it'll be very easy because the sellers will divest from positions. And then it'll look like the buyers are really running, but it's not buyers making it go up. It's sellers retreating, making it go up. Okay. We got to spot a reversal, but when we get a chance to spy it, we'll know what's going on with it. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Let's just spy it in. We'll watch it. We know that they're slowing down. You know what I'm saying? In 10 minutes, they go 4102 to 4062. And then in 10 minutes, they don't go nowhere. So we know somebody don't want to sell no more. So all we got to do is spy it out. We got those 13s, the bonds traders, I think the second price to me, I'm sorry, was above. It was like an 18 or something like that. They came and got the 18s. I think we hang out at 11, maybe 11 says something, 11 and 10s. What I want to see is what those 10s do when they get back to 16 or 17. I'm going to put a sell order there just as an alarm clock for myself. I feel like the sellers should prevail, while we're here today. Everybody understand gold. You understand the moves. You understand what we're trying to accomplish, that sort of thing.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes.
down here, obviously, the selling has slowed down in the last 35, 40 minutes, okay? Sellers aren't as aggressive as they were maybe at the top of the hour or top of last hour. Let's just wait and see if we could spot a reversal, okay? Let's see if we could spy it. I really like it, just as a point of context. Maybe I'll spy it sooner, but I really like it above 4062.1. I really do like the reversal above there. Yeah, let's just see if they can do it. You know, if they can do it, then by all means, you know, good for them in general. I have a little alarm clock at 57. Anybody trade the S&P 500? Let's see. Let's go to there.
Yes.
Yep.
The
Yes,
S&P
sir.
500 to me still looks pretty good. They're going well. I'm still watching the downside. Jesus Christ, 67.71 short. So beautifully played overnight. And maybe they're, you know, kind of making up for some of that wick business. 68.58 could be a downside target, but I like to see their approach to it. On the 4-hour chart, same, 68.58 looking real strong. I think I want to go to breakfast today. I do. I got a little work to do. 67.50, looking pretty good there. They're running stop signs, which is good. So it's bad traffic on the road. I'll kind of keep an eye on it. I think that buyers should try to stand up and say something now. At least don't just bend over and let them get it. You know, kind of say something for yourselves, buyers. I would really appreciate that. The 4-hour chart, 67.49. I'm watching 66.96. I'll give love as well to the lows on Friday the 7th. And that's 66.56. On the early chart, I mean, it's been a downside story. You know, it's really nothing you could say. It's been I mean, just straight up and down a downside story. I like for them to reapproach 67.15. When I'm looking at it right now, it looks real good there. You know what else? I need to go to the store today. I need to go to get some coffee pods. Well, coffee maker.
Hey Jay, quick question. When you said 67.15 looks good there, what are you saying? That you think they'll continue to go down when they hit 67.15, or you feel like it's gonna reverse up if they
I think when they hit that 15, they'll go down.
okay, so they'll go back down.
We have to see how they play it. To me, that's the next place where the way I look at prices and stuff like that, I look at it the way I think it's like possession of property or possession
Isn't
of.
it a day? Is
I'm
it a
sorry,
daily seller there, Jay?
that are thereabout, Jim. That are
Okay,
thereabout.
thank you.
So the idea is I don't know. I think the vibe is geography. You know, who owns what, and that's really the game that they play. Who owns a territory? So I'm looking at that, and since yesterday, sellers have done a good job of reclaiming territory.
Order submitted.
Let me see, 67.71, 67.15. Sellers.
Order submitted.
Sellers. I don't think we'll get up here, so
Submitted.
we don't have to get up that high. Sincerely, I hope we do not.
Order submitted.
Watch them there too. And as far as buying goes,
Order submitted.
will they call the home? Oh, what's a good album today? A good album today is.
I have a question.
Give me 1 second. I'm trying to think about what album I should listen to today. That boy Blast. That's what I should listen to. That boy Barry Bonds. Blast in the building. I like that Before You Go album. Sky Lounge Music. Yeah, let that boy sing.
Order filled.
Okay. Before you go. That's what he gonna start saying. I want to hear that.
Order
Somebody
submitted.
said I have a question. What's the question?
Order submitted.
I'm a bit confused on if are you teaching us?
Maxine, you off the chain. I don't even know what language was that. That was amazing. I had no idea.
Oh, that's my patois. Sorry. I'm talking to
What's the
mom.
name of the language?
Patois.
Oh, that's patois.
Oh, I'm so
Ooh,
sorry.
I ain't know you get that deep with it. You got so deep with it. I was like, oh nah, she going off. Let's get it.
Mommy cooking. I'm trying to help her. She don't want me to help.
Oh, mommy cooking?
Yeah.
She off the chain. You know she gonna try and do her thing. She don't want no help. She don't want no help.
She's sick.
Love to you. Good to hear your voice, Maxine.
Thank you, Jay. And I'm doing my best to pass my take profit today. And I think I have $200 to go. And thank you so much. I'm learning a lot from these sessions. Thank you. Thank you.
Love to you. Love to you. Jessica, I'm with you now that we got it going where we can hear one another. What'd you say now? You're a bit confused because something or another. What you say?
Well, I have so many questions, but
Yeah, I know. How long you been trading so I know if I can talk to you like
I've
a
never
third
did
grade?
this before.
Okay, so you're brand new. I got to talk to you somebody who's not even enrolled in school. Okay, talk to me now.
Order submitted.
But like she said, she was making money, so that's what I want to get to. Like, how
Right.
is it that I can make money?
Will you have an opinion? Say you think of the futures market as a bet about whether or not things will go up or down. When you buy it, you're not saying you want to possess it. When you buy it, you're saying you think it'll go up. If you sell it, you're not trying to get rid of it or dispose it. When you sell it, you're saying you think it'll go down. So for example, on this chart right here, I'm in a sell because as you can see, the number is red. I want you to kind of dig that. You see right here, see it has red and it's one. So I sold this price because that's where sellers should have been. But today on this instrument, I believe that rising is what we should do. I just put a sell where the sellers were so I can be keyed in when I hear it. So now I know, okay, we above that thing that I was watching. That's kind of what I got in my mind. You know, we above that thing we was watching. Okay. So if you sell and it goes up, you lose money. But if you buy, say over here, you see how it's green here? So look right here at this, you see it says, you have to talk to me now so I know I'm not leaving you. You see this brown line at 40.49?
Yes.
You see that right there? So we entered as buyers there. So what we said is the market will go up. And as you can see, prices above it. So now we entered not with one contract, but there are 4 contracts on this trade. You see how it has a 4? So that means that we didn't say, I bet you. We said, I bet you and you and you and you. I bet all 4 of y'all that it's going to go up. We traded with them. What did we trade? An agreement. We call it a contract. They said it's going to go down. I said it's going to go up. Trade. They say it's going to go down. I say it's going to go up. Trade like that. And all of those people thought it would go down from 40.49.1. I thought it would go up from 40.49.1. So they losing money if they sold it, but I'm making money because I bought it. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now, the cool feature about this kind of trading is the liberty that we have over decisions. Most people say, for example, if you are in a trade, either it costs different money to get in different places, or you can't really control how long you want to be in a trade. But with us, what we can say is, you know what? I need a little money. I'm gonna hold a little money now. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take a little profit. So I can take not all 4 of them, but I can take one of them and I can sell out of one of the contracts. Let me do that. Watch the 4. Now the 4 turns into a 3. And all I did was put some money in my pocket right now. Now I'm waiting. You see, so I can take a little money off. I can say, you know what? I don't know if it's gonna keep going up, but what I want to do is just in case it don't go up no more, I'm gonna protect the trade so I can't lose no money on it. So I got 3 and I'm gonna cover my 3. I bring a stop in front of them. Now it don't matter what it do. I ain't gonna lose no money. And I might do that like if you heard Carl, what he said was, hey Jay, I left a runner on last night and I sold the 60s. So he sold, that means he believe it's gonna go up or down. It's your pop quiz, Jessica. If he sold it, which way he think it's gonna go up or down?
Down.
Good. So he sold right here last night.
Hmm.
So it's been going down. He say he been holding it all this time. And he was doing it with 3 contracts. So I want you to see the fact that the market hasn't gone a long way, but we got 3,000 on us. The cool thing about this game is it don't have to move far for you to make a lot of bread. You see what I'm saying? So he had 3 contracts selling from them 60 to the downside, and he was still holding them this morning. And we get down here this morning, if he knocked the ball down to us, all we gonna do is throw it back up to him. So I'm sending it back up there to him. We gonna buy it and see how far I can go. You understand what I'm saying now? This is the
Yeah.
game. It's a game of opinions and being right. And you can be right for 5 minutes and then be wrong for 50. Or you can be wrong for 20 minutes and then be right for the rest of the day. You see what I'm saying? So this game is a game of understanding whether or not you should get in. If you get in, should you buy or sell? And then if you're going to choose buy or sell, from what price? You see what I'm saying? That's the game we playing.
Okay.
And it's an easy little game.
So how
All
do
you
I
do is play.
profit?
How do you profit? Once you sell off, say you get in a trade, it make you $100, it goes into your account. If it's your brokerage account, you can call your broker up right then and make a withdrawal.
But don't I have to put money to get money back?
If you start with your money, you got to put some in there because you can't make no money off of no money if it's live. But if you
So in
don't
the
trade live, you could trade somebody else money. And then if you hit the rules and hit the thresholds you need, you can make a withdrawal and never use any money of your own.
yeah, I don't have
Anybody in
money.
here?
So
Anybody? What you saying?
I don't have the money, so
Okay, it's fine. Anybody in here don't use their own money, they use other people's money.
Yep.
Yeah, sir. All day.
Other people's money.
Yep.
So you don't have to
Only
use
way
your
to
money.
play.
Long as you use your skill, you're gonna be just fine. That makes sense?
yes, sir. Thank you.
Showtime. When did I do that? It's 8:20. I gotta write and cut that out. That'll be good for YouTube and Instagram because people, they don't really know how the money get made. I'm gonna take that and cut it out and maybe post it up a little later.
Did you clip the bio from yesterday too?
I need to. I haven't yet. I need to go.
I love that.
And I need that.
It was so good.
11:14 clip 8:20 a.m. And then you say 11:13 yesterday clip bio. All right, for sure. I'll clip both of those today, try and get them posted.
Thank you.
It's all good.
Hey Jay, the other
Na-na-na-na.
other clip we need is you on the helping Jamalith get from that $600 and another 600, then another 600. Like that's a clip.
11.
Sure.
When was that? That was yesterday?
That was the day before, I think. And then somebody asked, oh,
11:13.
Yesterday. That was yesterday.
Jamalil, $600. Oh, that was in the red, so it would be at the end of the video. Who's in the red?
and then somebody came in and said, I'm down. And you said, how? That's
Perfect. I'll cut those up, and we'll see what's going on with it. Let's see. The bell's going to ding-a-ling-a-ling in about 4 more minutes. I think we got do bells ding-a-ling-a-ling or ting-a-ling-a-ling? I think
Depends on the bell.
It depends on the bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
I'm gonna leave this alone. Hold on. I think we're going to the wrong direction. Here we go. Back to the market. 247.96.
That's a great idea. That's a great idea.
249.41. You know what I'm saying? I was really thinking about timbre at that point, ladies and gentlemen. Really, timbre was the name of the game. I don't want to get too this lady's around. 247.15, 247.98, 249.44, 244.26 on the dailies. 4 hour, we got downside. I don't think the boys gonna persevere. I think they're gonna take a stab at it, maybe even try and make a run 244.00. So I gotta watch 244 00, 244.29, that area. Watch that today. I think we're gonna get saucy down there. Watch out for homeboy is right here. Watch out for dog 244.86. Dog could step up. That boy Blast used to have a vibe. God, dog. He had a vibe, mean vibe.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay. At the end of
Order
the
submitted.
day.
Order submitted.
I know I'm supposed to classically buy here. I'm gonna sell
Order filled.
off the open. I want to see how this goes. I think it should go up then down off the open. If not, it'll just go straight down off the open. But I wanted to go up before it goes down. At the end of the day, I know that we're gonna be okay. Ooh, I used to vibe to this album right here.
Order
If you
submitted.
get a chance, it's something I want y'all to experience. I want y'all to get on I-95 in Miami. And I want you to start coming down from Broad Boulevard. Stay in the right-hand lane, all right? And then I want it to be around the wintertime if you can. Let it be around the wintertime. Turn the heater on, but put the fan down. I mean, put the windows down. So you're going to have the heater on and you have the windows down. Boy, I'm talking about rotting with that blast. You get right there over Miami Gardens and that thing, that ramp start coming up. You're looking down the Top Golf right there. You see 826 going that way. If you look over there, you can see the beaches and the water at night. Them lights shining down that amber glow. My city, beautiful, dog. My city, beautiful. Nah, it's beautiful, dog. It's full of crazy, boy.
Order submitted.
That doggone city, it'll make you love it.
Order
You
submitted.
said it could go up and then go down, or it could just go straight down.
Yeah, it could go up or down, or it can go straight down.
Do you suggest I wait instead of entering?
I suggest you always wait, and I suggest that you wait and see what price we talking about. You know what I'm saying? Like, just wait. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't do nothing till I tell you to do something.
Okay.
Okay, this the buys and sells on the NASDAQ. You know what I'm saying? Mhm. I wanted to go up then down, okay? Mhm. Ooh, it's gonna be painful, man. It's gonna be painful. So if they go up off the open, I want them to go up, then I want them to maybe go up as high as, dang, go up a little bit higher. I want them 247.65s. Then I wanted to body slam everything. You know what I'm saying? Get low in. Okay, we getting vibey. New people. How y'all doing? New people. If you never really traded before, it could be tumultuous out here. You know what I'm saying? So if you knew you never really did it before, you know what I'm saying? I want you to really be vocal. Ask me questions before you just try and follow along. You know what I'm saying? Okay. The idea, I'm looking for the market to rise off the open like it did. I wanted to go a little higher, then I wanted to fall. And when it falls this time, I don't want you to consider buying it. Do not buy 246.39. Do not buy. Don't buy. I don't want you to think about buying until maybe we get a little bit lower, maybe 244.91, or if they prove it the other way. You know what I'm saying? I think this thing is going to go up, then kind of go down. Let's see right here. This is the first enemy, 246.98. Same on the ES. That we have buyers kind of lurking right here, 66.87. We should be able to move them right on out the way. Gold, y'all should feel good. I told you don't believe in the upside till we get above 62. You see, we get to 62 and they push us back down. I think it's going to take us a second, but we'll be able to perseverate. You know what I'm saying? We'll be able to get above them. Okay, here we go. Downside on the NASDAQ kind of popping now. They kind of pushing. It's weird because the bonds want to go down too. So I'm trying to see which one they're going to play with. Watch the bonds now. Watch the bonds. I want the bonds to kind of return. You see 117.12 is, oh, dog, I had a stop order there. I forgot I was teaching Jessica about how markets work. Re-up though.
Sorry.
No, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I'm trying to just make sure. That's it right there. Oh, summer.
Order submitted.
And I'm still on my way. But the top don't look too far from me. Never caught up
Order
no
filled.
day. And I'm still on my way. Don't take that off. Don't take targets yet. You don't, if you don't have to. Them boys gonna push now. Don't buy that. Don't buy. That boy juking, you feel me? 95 short. It's a different situation. Okay, we got these people right here, 246.36. Let's watch them. And I'm still on my way. They should be pliable. We should get through them. Look too far from me. Never caught up now one day. And I'm still on my way. And I'm still on my way. Still on my way.
Hey Jay, you think when this candle closes, we're selling 63s and 72s on the NASDAQ?
Big dog, I want to do this start selling when your toe got into it early. You know what I'm saying? We knew we had that up and down move, big dog.
I got you.
I think 94s, 23s, 247, 64s. I don't know if they're gonna come back and let you get it though. I think next candle gonna open red. We have to see. If you want to get in there, the best thing that you will see is that they don't stay under the low. You know what I'm saying? If they don't stay under the low, then you got a chance of catching it probably somewhere cleaner, like a 93 or 95, 693, 695. But if they, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Watch them. Okay, see this right here, because watch 77 gonna try and push down. Hey, why am I still on this candle? I got a 0. We 20 seconds into the next candle.
I'm the same here.
What are you doing?
It's crazy.
It's some weird stuff.
Watch here, 6. So Mike is gonna try and trap you at 246.57. So I would deleverage, either make like one contract. If I'm a 2-contract trader, I'll put one, or I just stay home and really try and see if I can wait on 95, 96. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look at them buyers up for 41. Watch them. Tonight, you know the vibes. Okay. Now we want this thing to go, in my opinion, ES, my ultimate target is 66.59. The next short is like 87, 86 area. Like anywhere between 86 and 88. So 66.86 to 66.88, you can kind of get frothy. It might go up to a 90, maybe go up to a 90, but after that, you want to see it push back down. If it don't push back down, then it's going to be a big trick today. Because look at the bonds, 117.07. Bonds want to go down too, so they might dance us off the open. You feel what I'm saying? They'll push down and kind of go up real high. You got to keep your eye on them bonds. You know what I'm saying? Watch them bonds go down. The bonds going down, you got to be careful. If you out of that trade, we only got 2 of the contracts. The NASDAQ short. I had it at 723 sometimes, and we only got down to the 246.53 sometimes. I think sellers are at 248 double low. I think they're at 248.23 as well. Say something. Wait, what's that? Okay, the bonds falling again. I told you I think that they should go. My first call was the 13 short. So if you're in the 13s, you coming up to your first enemy is 117.06. I think that you could get through them. It might take a little minute. Hey, on gold, we above them 62s a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Watch them. I think they're about to make that good move. I'm disappointed in the seller's inability to continue going down, man. It's very disappointing. Did anybody grab 248 double O or 248.23? That's the next spot I'm seeing sellers. I said it out loud. Anybody
Yeah,
grab it?
it didn't get that far. At least
Okay.
not on mine. Yeah.
Sometimes.
When did it say pick it and go?
What you say? It ain't ready yet. You know, if you didn't grab the low already, if you didn't grab the low, then I'll wait till you kind of get above the 62s, then you can join them. God dog it. 247.97. They ain't even do that. 248 double O.
Got stopped out on the 68.80.
Yeah, they got us again, Jay.
What happened?
What happened? Didn't pick you up, or something went fishy with the
Yeah, they
platform?
probably sold underneath on the
Yeah, sold
they probably
underneath.
sold 86 or 88s.
Yeah, that's what I did.
It's plenty of money to make any way you look at it. You know what I'm saying? So if they go down, I wanted to lower down before we kind of do what I think we're gonna overall do. We've been selling too hard for like a day and a half, so they should go the other way. But I wanted them to come down lower, 244. In my opinion, I really wanted 244 double low. I would have settled for 245.66. Them boys hit the button right here at 246.38, where those buyers were. I did not like that. Something makes me think that I don't know if I can trust the buy right now. I'm gonna see what'll make me trust the buy. What'll make you trust it, Jay? What'll make you trust it? What'll make you trust it? You just gotta change your mind. It's 8:39. You gotta change your mind. Gold is making the move that we've been waiting on. I wouldn't sell gold. Get established.
Gold is flying up until 15.
Y'all got the 248.23s. Anybody got those? 248 double O, 248.23.
Got a buy or
I'm asking so I know whether or not I should pay attention to it or care. You see what I'm saying? Because I don't care if ain't nobody in it.
Yeah, the double O's sale.
The double O's and the 23 should try and give you another push right here. What you're looking for is the bonds to go from 7 back up to maybe 10 or 11. If you win it, cover it quick, because you know what I'm saying? It's a dangerous way to kind of look at the sell or to look at a way to strike back down. But I'm saying that they could do it from here because I don't think we've gotten to our lowest spot, in my opinion. The way we'll know this 248.23 and this 248 double O will work is because we'll start trading back below 247.62. So cover it and let's see if we get back below 62. If we do exactly what the buyers did going up to us last candle, the seller's gonna do it right back to them. If not, then they done going down. Then we're gonna be buying. Need a savage. Opposite
Order filled.
man. Look at
Welcome
still pushing
to
us
the
down. Bond still
Bully
pushing us down.
Trade room. You are seeing a master at work.
The 62s, we got anybody took the 62s now that we was above them? You should be in that trade. I've been calling.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hey, you gonna take that trade, you're gonna take it with a couple contracts, you're gonna take some profit off at that first contract. Like it done paid you $800-900 already. You take profit, you take that, you let that second contract ride. When I tell you let it ride, I'm talking about let it ride. Hey, these boys about to go to 67.15 on the ES. So if you took a short, bail on it. Bail on it. They acting too wild out here. Bail on the NASDAQ short too. Bail on it. They got to that 73 and changed their minds. We got to believe the longs now. I would say that the selling is done. This right here is going to be a good test for them right where they are right now. 248.35. Let's see if they sell down, if the 35's got a little bit of juice, or if we can make it up here, in my opinion. 248.99 is the next real test for the buyers. Real bad man. Real bad man. Okay, we got 62 to 72 on gold. That's 1,000. That doggone 86 and 88 blew up right in our hand. I can't believe the ES let us below the low and then changed his mind at such an inopportune time. Okay, bonds made it to the hourly buyer. Talk to me, dog. Come on, dog. Don't do it like this. If you're gonna go down, go on and do it, man. You can't keep abbreviating the move. You'll chop us up for the first 20, 30 minutes of the market. Don't chop us up now. Watch these fools. Watch them. If they come back through 247.60, we got to change our mind again and go back to being sellers on the NASDAQ. If they come back through 66.95, we got to change our mind again and be sellers on the ES. So right now, what they testing is your ability to change your mind quickly. That's what the test will be.
Lean in now, lean in.
Order filled.
Be for real. Hey, you can't fall in love out here too. When you trading out here today, you can't fall in love with nothing. Don't fall in love.
We still holding on to gold?
What's up?
We still holding on to gold?
Man, don't never let gold go.
Absolutely.
Don't never let gold
Absolutely.
go.
Come
Gold,
on, Todd.
I ain't gonna leave gold like 41.02, 41.17. Ain't man, nah.
Come on,
Man,
Todd.
let
It's different
gold
heat,
be
man.
gold. Let gold be gold. I'm talking about
You ain't
don't
never
let
felt
it
this
go.
before, hey, Todd? You ain't never felt this before? Yes.
I have, and I
Hold
got
on,
stopped out.
baby.
So the
Oh,
gold,
you got stopped out? Oh, I
not
understand.
today, but gold heat is just different.
You long and gold, right?
Yes, sir.
Where you got long at? 72? I mean 62?
I'm closer to 70. I was a little late.
Why you waited so late? God, I hate that for you.
I hear you.
You left $800 just sitting there on the front end table.
I'm picking up crumbs, man.
I had to stop because my combine wouldn't let me go no further.
These boys, ES right now, I'm telling you, ES 67.15. Bonds ain't gonna let up. It looks like they're gonna sit on the 117.05s. I'm changing I'm a buyer of the indexes now. I'm talking about I've thrown away the downside idea. I will not readopt the downside idea until we are under 66.95. I will not do it until we are under 257, 247.60. And to me, the lackluster response of the 248.00s and the 248.32s show you that while they could sell, they don't mean any real threatening business. I think that up is the way on the indexes right now. You can be buying things like '01. It's going to be a little hairy. There's a little problem at 67.07.25, but I think we should get through there. And really, I'm seeing what they got for us at 67.15 because that's really the bigger picture. Same over here, you know what I'm saying? 60.64 longs, and trying to see, what they have for us at 73 and 83. And I don't think they're gonna have very much. If it can, like if they're really, really kind, they might come back down one more time, touch 40.59 and get long from there. But I think up should be the way. We won't really have another problem out of the NASDAQ until we get to 249.46. We're going to be getting long probably till there. There is an abbreviated thing, 248.97. Watch out for 97 in the middle, 248.97. Motivation ones you don't got no, you better.
Hey
Talk to
Jay,
me
on the
nicely.
gold, what do you think the stop loss should be at on the gold?
Where's your entry?
40.68.
You late too.
Yeah, I was a little late. A little late.
You know what
Oh,
I'm saying? Like, let me tell you, if we call a trade and it don't work, we can call the next one and it do. I taught y'all about the difference between the order of outcomes and the dispersion of outcomes. You feel what I'm saying? It's an order and it's a dispersion. I might call a trade like I call 68.86 and it blow up. You get stopped out. Then I'm gonna tell you, hey, no, get long 67.02. Then you don't do it. I'm saying we going to 15. Hey, everybody, we going to 15. We going to 15. We going to 15. Now we just touched 15. Nobody made the money. You know what I'm saying? Like on gold, say for example, I'm like, hey, above 62, we good, buy them 62s. The reason I want you in at 62 is because it's a big fight at 73. I think we gonna win the fight and keep going to 83. I do. But it'll make you lose your mind and you'll lose your hair if you buy it at 40.71. Because it's green and red and a little green, it make you nervous. So then what you'll do is you'll take targets or you'll get out of the trade. And right when you get out, like the moment you get out, it'll go to 83. You see what I'm saying? So I want you to buy 62s. So when they fighting at 73, you chilling while you up $1,000. Rather than where you saying, oh, I'm up 100. Now I'm down 40. Now I'm up 200. Now I'm down 100 because of where you buy. I want you to buy it lower. And we're going to be all right. Don't worry about it. NASDAQ long, that's the next target. I told you we was going up. Here's the 248.98. I think we should be able to try and get through them, but they'll push us down. I want them to push us down just a little bit. 68.15s are in right now in the ES. So I call that one long off the ones, and I call it again off the fives. The NASDAQ long, we let those go. Damn, I can't remember if I said get long on the NASDAQ though. I know I said the NASDAQ was long, but I don't think I said a number to get long from. God dog it.
Jay,
Hold on one second.
All right, go ahead.
What you gonna try and do if y'all can?
Watch it.
248.50.
Okay.
248.88 in just about a minute. Give it a minute. Let's see where this candle finishes, and then we'll see what's cracking. 67.15, 67.10. These will all be buy levels in a moment. Okay, DP, what you talking about? What happened?
That's all I was trying to see. My internet had went out. I was trying to see where I can get back in. I had
Okay, for sure. The 15s I'm watching because they can play a game here. Either they're gonna catch 15 or they're gonna catch 67.28. If they go to 28, 28 got a right to do something to them. To me, 28 got a right to do something to them, like 248.97 got a right to do something. You see what I'm saying? So
yeah,
let them push down. You know what I'm saying? Let them push you a little bit.
I'm gonna wait them out. I'm gonna wait it
He
out.
got all the charts on. He calling trades on everything.
Hello.
Order
I
filled.
don't know what that is.
Yeah,
Okay,
bring
watch me
him
now.
to the
Watch this.
room,
This
Sophia.
candle right here, I want this candle to push down. We could start considering longs as low as 248.42, but prices along the way will be 248.87, 248.53. You got to take these depending on your risk tolerance. I would prefer, if you're a buyer, to be the lowest one. So if you take the high one, cover it quickly. You see what I'm saying? So if you take 248.88 and you get in there, cover it quickly. If you take the 248.56, you get in there, you don't have to cover it as quick. Okay, but you still should cover it because these people have a right to take you
Pushing
to,
hard.
they have a right to take you down to 247.14. They possess that right. They have a right to get you down there. So if they start pushing, you got to believe them, okay? This is going to be a nasty little thing what they doing, okay? When you take that trade, you want to keep your right eye on the bonds while you're taking it. Look at those bonds, man. They've been falling for the last 5 or 6 candles. And what have we been doing on the indexes? Rising for the last 5 or 6 candles.
Going up.
So we have to watch it because the bonds could perseverate maybe 116.26. So if they continue to go to that downside, then we have to be respectful. You know, we have to buy the indexes. You can't, count against them. So we have to, kind of watch. Now, if you took that 248.56, you making money. I want you to cover it. Cover it now. Cover it. It could work for you. Cover it though. And if you took them 56s, you're making that money to the long side. It's all right.
Yeah.
Let it work. Now, what we really aiming at on this trade is if we can go to the moon. But along the way, you want to get 249.22, 249.44, 250.04. You want it to start moving for you in a good way. Okay. Same. I told y'all on the the ES that we would be buying 67.15, 67.10s. Did anybody get into those 10s? If you got into those 10s, it's lifting for you. You want to let it do its job. Don't stop it. That 10, we trying to get clear up to 67.26.
Order filled.
That's where we're trying to get to. And when we get there, we might not have to stop. We can let it keep on going. You dig what I'm saying? Maybe we can get up to 67.45. So if you got that trade and you multi-contract, what I want you to do is don't get happy when it get green and take it all off. Don't do that. What I want you to do is as it keep going up, keep moving your stop up. Keep moving your stop up. Don't take a sell position. Don't get out. Just keep moving your stop. Keep moving your stop. Keep moving your stop. Back up your stop. Okay. We getting our way up here real close on the NASDAQ to this 249.46. Did anybody get into that last trade? You got into the 10s on the ES, or you got into this the 856 or this 889 thing on the NASDAQ? Anybody in those? What about the gold people? Gold people, did you finally get in 40.62?
Yes, I
Pass
did.
my take
Okay.
profit on gold.
Okay, 62s. Hey, we not worried about a thing. We're not worried. 83 is gonna give you your money if you want it there. But I'm telling you, I think it can keep on going. 41.17. So what I want you to do, don't sell the 40.83s. If you do, they'll push it down a bit, but take a target at the 40.83s and then bring your stop above break even, above them 62s, and just rest. Rest. Hum a song. Say your alphabet forwards and backwards. Don't get
Thank
out.
you, Sensei. Thank you, Sensei.
It's all good. All I'm trying to do is make sure you get paid now. We took a little shellacking on them 68.6 86s, and I don't like that. What we're gonna try and do is get it going the other way now. We're gonna try and my goal today was to walk away with 5 bands on me. If I get 5 bands and I'm at $70,000 worth of calls in 2 weeks. Oh yeah, we've been getting busy. If it's your first day here, we don't call $70,000 worth of trades in 2 weeks.
5,600 right now, Jay. You
Come on, Jay.
All I'm trying to do is make this money for you. If you allow me and be so ever patient with me, man, I'm gonna make this money for you. I promise I ain't gonna leave you in the red.
I think I'm done for the month, man. Between gold last night today.
How much money you made, if you don't mind saying?
Carl, you ain't playing,
Okay,
Carl.
what about this? Can I say that you made between $3,000 and $5,000?
No. More. He said he was
Would you
gonna
say
win gold over
would it
In
be
the
gold.
would
last
it be
5 minutes.
hold on, y'all. Let me conduct the interview. I'm gonna conduct it so gently. Paul, would you then say maybe you've made between $10,000 and $20,000 this month?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's leave it there
Absolutely.
then. We won't say nothing. You can make between $10,000 and $20,000 in only 2 weeks of trading.
Carl,
Yes.
my motivation. You my motivation, Carl. I'm right. I'm beginning for
I think I'm gonna go chill. I'm gonna go chill with my family for a week, man. Chill out.
You deserve it, dog. You deserve it.
Let's go, Carl. Let's go.
I see you
Yes,
again on the
sir.
24th, dog.
That's what's
You
up.
take a week off. You deserve it.
Yep, I love y'all. Love y'all.
Love you, big dog.
I'm right behind you, Carl. I'm at 12 rats already.
Oh man, LB.
I'm right behind you.
Oh yeah, but I expect that from you, LB.
I'm right behind you, baby. I just hit him for 5,600.
Vince say we got the 2 LBs, light skinned brother and long beard.
I like that. I like that.
Hey, Carl, I heard you said you were trying to hit that 100. Then Jay came back and said 120. I said, man, if I could be around that 50, 60, I'm good for the month, baby.
That's it. If we
I'm
can
good.
we put away 50, 60K this month, it ain't bad. It ain't a bad month. It ain't a bad month.
Nothing.
You start having,
you could figure out how to live for a living, man.
yeah, you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing, you know. You ain't got to catch all the calls. Oh, shoot, catch half of them. You still gonna do good this month. You ain't even got to catch them all. I told y'all, don't take the NASDAQ off. Don't take the ES off. We gonna let this thing run. Sit in it. Let the green be good and big and green. Don't get out. For what? Don't get out. You just sit in them.
Order submitted.
You sit in them. You sit right in it and you let it do what it's going to do. All right. Our next enemy that we will face on the ES is going to be 67.26. We have a minor enemy here at 67.24.50. He might be emboldened because he's so close to the real thing. And that's good. Let's see how they fare here. Bonds still have the downside wide open on them, and if they continue to do what they do, I know that we have some stuff at 116.26 and even further down to 116.19. My initial sell on the bonds, if you all remember correctly, was 117.13. I just want to make make that announcement because these is one of those kind of days where I might call $1,000 on the bond.
Order filled.
Don't take it off now. Don't take the bonds off. Let them sit there if they there. Let them sit there. Don't
Can
get
you help?
nervous.
Can you help someone who screwed up?
Of course I can. That's my whole
That
job.
time's coming.
Order
That
submitted.
time's coming.
That's my
That
whole
time's coming.
job. My whole
Good you
job is
spoke up.
to,
Good you spoke up.
I didn't take an order off, and and then I should have taken off.
no. Say what you did.
I had gone through earlier, and I had a bunch of things on, and then it was at 67.20.
No. Slow down. I ain't talking about the targets and the numbers. What happened in your brain? What did you think, say, or do in your brain?
Okay, what happened in my brain was I was trying to set my targets for where you were, like 67.10, 67.15. So
Those were
that's what I
not
was.
targets. Those were entries.
I mean entries. That's what I was trying to do.
Mhm.
Set entries. So then I was moving it to the entry and then did a set of an entry, a buy. And I was like, oh shit.
You did a buy. Buying 67.10 and buying 67.15 is what I told you.
No, I didn't. I by the time when I realized what had happened, I was at 67.24.
I'm saying, what did you do? You sold it or you bought it?
I bought.
You bought 67.24.
I'm sorry, I bought 22 and it went down to 24. So I'm down $200.
Click buy.
I'm sorry?
Click buy.
Click buy now?
Click it.
Order filled.
Okay.
Filled.
Hurry up. Click it. And then when it get to $200, you take profit because you done made your money. Okay?
Okay. Maybe my stop is too low because it's not looking good.
You don't know what you're doing, huh?
I'm trying. Yeah, I got stopped out again.
What is your ATM strategy?
That's what the problem is, Jay. I'm on the wrong strategy. I'm sorry.
Okay. I get it. I get it. It's okay.
I'm on the wrong strategy.
When things are going fast, it's easy to get excited. When things going fast. When they're going fast, it's easy to get excited. What you have to do is in cooking, they call it mise en place.
Okay.
Before the eye and the oven and the boiling water and the hot grease get going, what they do is they tell you to put everything in place. Mise en place. If you put everything in place, we got them 83s on gold. So 62 to 83 is $2,100 so far.
Yes, it is, sir.
And it took you 2 candles to do it. Just relax all your muscles.
What would be the best time to buy into the gold now?
Give me 1 second and I love you. When you have this idea of, say, I'm about to cook, what happened to us, you don't believe this. No one believes themselves. No one would believe it, okay? The next buy on the ES 6715. Next buy is I don't know. I like it. I don't love it. If you want to do it, do it. But whatever. I think 15 should give you a little bit of upside. 83 is gonna push back, but I don't think that they're gonna make it all the way back to 62. So I would cover the 62s. If you want to lock in a couple $100, maybe put your stop at 40.65. That'll be fine. On the on the NASDAQ. Their ability to go down should stop 248.97. If we stop at the 97s, we should be just fine. There's nothing that is really in the way and stopping us from continuing to move up. So maybe they come back down, grab 249. Excuse me, they come down and grab whatever this is, 248.97, 248.99, and then start going back to the upside. That'll be right around the time they grab 67.15, and then the 15 should do a pretty good job of trying to push them back, and 15 will go up maybe to 26. And on the NASDAQ, the doggone 248.97s, they're going back up to 249, I think maybe 54, maybe even 249.90, okay?
Order submitted.
All right, so now Monique,
Yes.
The idea is you about to cook. People always wonder, Jay, why you take so much time before you trade. But for me, I'm really trying to lock in everything I think, just locking it in, locking it in, locking it in. Okay, if it goes down, I believe this. If it goes up, I believe this. If it goes down too far, then I have to throw away this idea, adopt this idea. Okay, this is our scenario. Okay, the bonds are in this position. The ES is in this position. You know what I'm saying? Like I'll take an hour just to look
And I didn't
before.
check my I normally like check the time frames and I have a little checklist and I didn't check the stop loss. I didn't check the ATM
I
strategy.
always go, if you notice, I go through almost everything. People get so
Yes.
mad. Some folks literally, I've gotten emails, Jay, when you get on the room, you do so much talking. Why don't you just get straight to trading? And I've gotten these kind of emails. And the thing is, if you don't take your time and they start moving, now you're hurried or rushed. Now you're in a rush mindset, a rush position. So now you fumbling around. Now you know what I'm saying? So you take a trade. How many people have done this? You take a trade, it's a great trade, and you look and realize you was in sim.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? These are the type of things, man, they so frustrating to the trader. And I really do take my time, man. I'm gonna talk to people, I'm gonna answer questions, I'm gonna look up outside, I'm gonna thank God for another day. I'm gonna look at a picture of my mama. I'm gonna check the time. I might check my wife location and the kids location, make sure that they making it to the on the highways and byways that they safe out there. I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying? Because it's not about rushing into making the money, because the candle's gonna move all day, and if they moving, it's money to be made.
Yeah.
You don't have to be there at this time of the third. If y'all notice, I'll call out trades for y'all. Close up. I'm in sim. When I'm done with y'all, then I'll go make $2,000, $3,000, and then I'll put it up on social media. Hey, I'm short here. I'm long here. It's money to be made all day. What we have to do is make sure that we are prepared. So you prepare in your platform. You're prepared in your mind. You're prepared in your heart. You're prepared with your
So
strategy.
yeah.
You're prepared the whole way. Watch your mic now. Your mic might be hot now. Be careful out here. So Monique, it's
Yes.
okay what happened to you today.
Order filled.
Now you know, put in the right ATM strategy. You know,
Yep.
if you was in them 15s, I think
Stop
15 went up to 20. So you would have made some money there if you wanted that. I think now they're, trying to return pretty good. The NASDAQ, we got long last candle and it gave us a good push. This time, same thing. So it's going to give you $200-300. This one is going to be tough. It's going to stop at 920. Cover that entry on the NASDAQ quick. If you buy the 10s this time, you see they only going to pay you the 15. The market is making a decision to turn around here now. Okay. So you don't want to just willy-nilly buy. The market is making a decision, and we don't want to rush into it. Okay.
Okay.
Um,
So I'm not in anything right now.
very good. You're going to end up prevailing as a buyer. And when you do, it'll probably be above 67.26. If not, what they'll do is they'll come back down to something really, really juicy for you to take part in. Maybe it'll be something in the nature of a 66.92, something like that. You can also, those 10s, they'll get you to 15, so cover them. You know what I'm saying? That's locking in money for you. The 10s, I think I also had the NASDAQ long 248.97, 248.98. That's making a little money. Cover it up. You know what I'm saying? Cover it up and lock in. Right now that trade is a $600 trade. You can lock in, two, three, $400 worth of profit. Just lock it in, and let's see if this is the candle that will go threaten 67.26. Let's go see if this is the candle that will push up and go get 250.04. Let's see if this is the one. Because we said on the on the NASDAQ, 248.98 should be able to get you to 249.53. Okay, cover it. Let's see if it'll get you a little higher. We got a little problem at 249.79. And then after that, maybe we get up a little higher. You see? Okay, here is the 67.26s. So we got from 10 to 26. Now 26 is pushing us down. That's fine. We make from 10 to 26. That's 16 points. That's $800. Easy money. Easy money. You see that?
Do you want me to look at 60 at the
Oh gosh.
15s?
Okay. Look
I'm
here. Look
I'm
here.
I'm
This is what I'm gonna tell you. I'll be telling you buy 67.10.
yeah,
Then it'll no listen. It'll go 10, then it'll go up to 18. And you'll say, well, should I get in now at 10? And I'll say, I told you to buy 10s. I told you to buy 10s 4 candles ago.
you did. You did.
4 candles ago. The 10s were good. Look at it right here. The 10s were good at 8.55, and right now they're good at 9.10. So if you bought them, I told you cover them quick. Let's see what they're going to do. Because I believe that while we are in a selling posture right now on the NASDAQ and the ES, the 10s still have a right to buy. Let's see how far they'll go. All you need is $200 and you down. So if you go from 10 to 14, you'll make your money.
Okay, but you're okay.
You see what I'm saying? When I tell you to do it, that's what, do it right then. Do it right then.
Right. So
If I
since I
say
didn't do
a
that now,
6710s will buy, let the 6710s buy. I told you we have sellers 4083. Look at them.
if it gets to 6710 now, is that too late if it
I
goes back
think
to
you're a
there
little
now?
late to buy now. I think you're a
Okay.
little late to buy now. What you want to do is kind of let them fight it out. What
Okay.
you'll do again now is if we get underneath 10, I want you to sell 10 down to 6701.
Mhm.
Okay? If we get above 26, I want you to buy 26 up to 35. You with me?
Yes.
Okay.
26 to 35, 10's down to 6701.
And this what I want you to do. There's a stick. I want you to take it on out of there, okay? Take it out. You see? Now, the way I'm saying this sounds very mean, but what
Okay.
I'm telling you is you're dealing with people now, so you're going to have to flow.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to have to flow. When you're dealing with people, it cannot be A, B, C, D. Okay, hold on. Let me get my pen so I can write down A. No. If you at a movie theater and somebody say run, you can't say
Right.
one moment. Let me grab my keys and are my shoes tied and where are we running to? We in here with people now. So your rigidity that served you professionally, it
It's
will
not
not
right
serve
now.
you in the who I'm trying to teach this lady because I love this lady. This lady is a good lady and she's diligent and she works hard. Y'all, give her some grace. Watch your microphones now. Monique, what you're going to have to do is because it is not just numbers, it's people. So when things move, they move. It's almost like you have to be ready.
Okay.
You have to be ready. When I place those sales and buys and stuff like that, hey Jay, I see it's going up here to 67.45. We still believe in the sale there? I'm gonna say, okay, Monique, watch it now, watch it now. Because either what we're gonna do, we gotta see what's going on. Man, I think the buyer's gonna hold on to their upside intent. Look, it's 9:10. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you commentary. Now, if you say, oh my God, I'm in a trade, I don't know what's going on. Hey Jay, I'm in a trade. I don't know what's going on, but it's red. I don't know what's happening. Hey, check this. Is your data good? Check your ATM strategy. Oh, it's my ATM. Good, good, good. Change your ATM. Let's make sure we good. You see what I'm saying? I'm always here to serve you. But the thing is, it's a flow. In this trading, when you get in here, it's almost like you have to already have done all your work so that you're ready to just be when you're in here. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What Jill Scott said, Jill Scott was playing live one time. And she said, when you on stage, you can't practice.
Mm.
You can't practice on stage. When you practicing, it's almost the time where you can, oh, let me tune my guitar a little bit. And man, are my pedals working? And is this tom sounding how it's supposed to? And what pad do I want on this song? Let me find all my sounds on my keyboard. That's practice. When we come out here and it's people clapping and they pay their money, what we got to do is we got to play now. So that means you need to know what the pedals do. You need to know, where your amp is. You need to know where you need to, you know what I'm saying? You kind of have it going.
And you're right. I do practice a lot, but you're right. The rigidity, that's what I got to work on.
That's
You're
your personality.
Yes.
Now let me tell you, it's good. The beautiful thing about it, Monique, is that's the best way when it comes to trading. Your way is best. I know it frustrates you. All you got to do is put a little flow on it. Because me, I'm an artist. I'm a
Mhm.
creative. So when I came to the market, I wanted to flow all the time. I did not want structure.
Mhm.
If you come to the market with a structural mind and just sprinkle a little, a little wiggle room on it, sprinkle a little flow on it, man, ooh, you're in a more magical place. Okay, let's
Yeah.
find your money. Okay, you got your ATM strategy together?
Yes, I do.
Okay, let's find your money. We're gonna find it, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're an ES trader now. If we get something below them tens, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that and we're gonna sell it. And we're gonna sell them tens down. Now, if they go down to 67,
Mhm.
01 double low, we're gonna buy them.
Okay.
And when we buy them, we're gonna cover it quick. Because
Okay.
all we need is 01 to 4 to make it work. Now, depending on how they play it, is how we're going to play it. Okay, you with me?
Yeah.
All right. So what we're going to do now, we see something below these 10s, we're going to get frothy. We're going to sell
I
these
did the
10s.
6710.
But if they run down too fast, then we'll wait. Now we're waiting until the current candle closes. The current candle closes in another minute and 19 seconds. So you can breathe. You can breathe easy. There's no stress to you. No stress.
Okay.
Breathe easy. And they got to tell you what they want to do. And it's fine. Let them tell you. It's okay. We don't have to stress over it, not even a little bit. We don't have no reason to stress. You okay? We're just going to breathe into and out of the position. You feel me?
Yes.
$200 is 4 points. And they'll give you 4 points in 2 minutes, 1 minute. Look at all the candles that we have seen so far. Man, they'll give you 20 points in 5 minutes. All we need is four of them. That gets us back to break even. And who knows, if we get one that's good, it might run a little further than 4 points, woman. You never know. You never know. Okay, let's just wait. We're also going to watch this thing called the NASDAQ. We're watching that too. We're watching everybody. We're watching everybody. We got our eye on. Okay, we're going to watch
Jay,
them.
I need some help too.
It's all good. We're going to get it. It's okay.
Yeah.
We're going to get it. All we do is take our time and breathe. It's Friday.
It's getting close to my stop.
I didn't tell you to get in yet.
But you said 6710.
We have to wait until the candle closes. I say it closes in another minute and 23 seconds.
Okay.
You heard me when I say that. We got to see what they're going to do. We'll be ready in another minute and 23 seconds. You don't have to rush and do nothing until then.
That's what he said.
He did say, okay.
You see?
All right.
You see what I'm saying? Don't be frustrated with
Now
yourself.
I'm down 500. I'm just screwing up now.
Don't be frustrated with yourself. Don't be frustrated with yourself. Give yourself a chance.
All right.
Give yourself a chance. Don't be frustrated with yourself. Don't be frustrated with yourself. Give yourself love. Give yourself appreciation. Don't be frustrated. Give yourself grace. You know what I'm saying?
Hold on, give me a second.
Oftentimes in the world, guess what? We the hardest on ourselves, ain't we? The whole
Yep,
world,
yep,
we'll
yep.
be the hardest on ourselves. Monique, guess what you're learning? You're learning a new skill. You've never done it.
Right.
It's okay. When our babies, when we pick them up, they get about 14, 17 months and they standing up and pulling up on the side of the table. They take a step and fall. Do we boo them or do we clap?
We clap.
It's okay then. You my baby. I love you. You're doing good.
That's good, though. That's
You're
good.
doing good. Don't get down on yourself. I'm not down on you.
All
And let me
right.
tell you, if you live and it's $500, all it was $500. These days, that won't really take you nowhere if you wanted to go on a trip.
Combine. It's in my combine.
If you own a combine, it really ain't cost you but $19 or $15 if you blow it and you haven't blown it. So everything's fine.
Yeah.
Everything's fine. You all right? Now be kind to yourself. Don't be hard on yourself. Show yourself some love. Write a nice note to yourself right now. Tell yourself something sweet in your mind. Say, man, you know what? I like you. You smart. Say that to yourself. Give yourself encouragement. Everybody do it. Don't do it out loud with nobody here. Do it in your mind. Man, I like you. You nice. I like you. You funny. Ooh, I like you. You got pretty hands. I really like you. Man, you so man, all these people complaining and you still around here paying these bills. You know, they act like paying bills ain't nothing no more, huh, fellas? But you still doing it. They still cutting the lights on. They cutting the lights on, open the refrigerator, complaining. Ain't that, hey, but you still paying them bills. You see what I'm saying? I'm telling you, it's a beautiful thing to give yourself love. Don't be hard on yourself. It's something new. You've never done it before. Never. You've never done it before. And it's all right. It's all right. All we're going to do is what we're doing right now. Just being patient. We know what they're doing. They doing 10 up to 26, ain't they?
Yes.
They
All
do.
we got to do is wait and see what they want to do about it. Either you're going to buy them 10s if you think it's going to go up, or you're going to sell them 26s if you think it's going to go down. And if you're not in nothing, see who's going to win the wrestling match. After they win it, you go ahead and vote for them. Easy money. Easy money. You see what I'm saying? Don't stress yourself out, though. Don't stress yourself. Don't stress yourself out and don't be hard on yourself. Show yourself love, kindness, and consideration. That's my favorite thing about trading. Trading will show you you really are moved by money. Money can move you because you will see $800 and take profit when you know you should have let it go to 2,000. So money will move you. Other thing is you realize, man, you so hard on yourself, almost like you hate yourself. You'll sit up and call yourself stupid. You know, the market will make you say, man, am I dumb? You calling yourself dumb? I'll never get this. I'll never understand this. This is too complicated. If you can braid hair, to me, that's the most complicated thing in the world. I don't know how you do that. You catch hair between separate fingers and you do how you do that? Man, if you know how to do your job, your profession that you do, I don't care if it's telecom, healthcare, sanitation, transportation, logistics, legal, health, I don't know, whatever it is, you know how to do that. That's hard.
Yeah.
So trust me, trading, easy. Easy, easy, easy. All you do is just be a little patient. Hey, everybody who took that 62 now, if you on gold, you took 40, 62. I told you 83s was going to push against us. No problem. Now, I told you cover it. Take it up. Lock in a few $100s, maybe 40, 65. Now, watch this time when they go up here to 83, you want them to break 83's neck. You want them to look at 83 right in the face, hold 83 by the neck and squeeze. And the buyers slowly squeeze the life out of the sellers at 83. And then we pop above and we go to 40, 90. That's what you're looking for here. And I believe that we're going to catch it maybe this candle. Let's see if these buyers will squeeze the neck of the sellers. And me and you, Monique, we just taking our time. Shalice, you have a question?
And mentor Samuel J. Strong hand was up, you know.
Sam, what's good? How you feeling, baby?
Oh nah, dog. I was just coming in saying how to everybody is, yes, Vember. But I really want to know how about them short ribs, dog. DG, you good?
The shorts where? Where the shorts?
The short ribs, brother. The short
the short ribs. Oh man. I ended up eating them last night. I don't know if y'all saw. I was looking to see if I had that tendonism last night. It wouldn't fall off the bone, but I had a real pit master tell me you don't want the meat to fall off the bone. You should be able to bite a short rib and it keeps its form. That's how you know it's real good. And my wife and my children had already put 2 or 3 good bites into them short ribs I smoked yesterday. So man, it was good. I'm trying to think of what I might make for dinner tonight. I think I'm gonna focus on dessert tonight. I had this healthy twist that I do on a strawberry, almost like a strawberry shortcake. I'm gonna see if I can do that. But last night we had them ribs. Anybody saw them short ribs? That tenderism?
Bro, y'all ate all of it?
By the way,
I wanted to tell Money Mo. Money Mo is right. All them short ribs left. You remember Mo was like, I don't think that's enough.
Yeah.
They wasn't. When I got up and went in there in the kitchen, I say, shoot, maybe they left a few of these short ribs. I can eat one of them before I go to bed. Boy, wasn't nothing in that aluminum foil but some bones. Wasn't nothing in it but
talking
some
about short
bones.
ribs, bro. Where's the recipe, big dog?
Oh, I'll tell you what I do. You go over here to these beef people. I'm in a place where they love beef. So you go over here and you get you a old pack of short ribs. Over here, as long as you get a good fat cap on them, you know, you really want a good fat cap. that cap on them short ribs, when you smoke it, that fat renders down into the meat, making it juicy. So you would like as hefty of a fat cap as you can find. If it's anything larger than an inch, though, you might want to trim it down to 3/4 inch. After that, you need a binder. And on my short ribs, I typically do not use oil as a binder. I'll use mustard as a binder. So when I put that mustard on there, I'll mustard the top of the short rib, the bottom of the short rib, and all that. After that, you want to use your seasoning of choice. In my house, everyone enjoys a very robust flavor, but not too hot, not too peppery, but they do like a good flavor and not too sweet. We're not a fan of, sweet ribs or anything like that. So any sort of rub that you have will be good. But what you don't want to be gentle with is the salt. You don't want to be gentle. You really want to almost create a skin of seasoning on top of your binder. Make a skin of it, you know? Now, depending on the size, it's going to be different things. But when you smoking, you want to kind of hold the temperature in the grill anywhere between 250 and 300 degrees. I think the 300 degrees maybe save you an hour and a half on cooking time, depending on your size of meat. So yesterday, I think I had about 8 pounds of short ribs, and I smoked them maybe about 7 hours at about an average of 285 degrees. The first 3 hours, I want you to put it on there and almost forget it's there. I don't want you to do a lot of spraying it, because when you're smoking, one of the things you don't want to lose is moisture, but your fat cap on a short rib is going to always keep you moist. So you don't want to take that apple juice mix or that apple cider mix or whatever it is that's in your spray bottle. Don't do a whole lot of spraying, because what we really want to do in that first 2 to 3 hours, we want to let that bark really come through good. Let them bark real good. I hate what I'm seeing on gold right now. I hate what I'm seeing on gold. I hate what I'm seeing on gold. I hate that so much. I wanted them to go up there and I want them to whoop them doggone sellers at 83. But the sellers do have a right to sell. I just want them to let their rights go. Let their rights go. They have to subdivide properly. And I know the inventory has got to feed, but I do not want this inventory to feed back down to a 62. I want you to not do that. I want you to stay where you at. Don't you come down here. So you don't spray it. Don't spray it too much. You close it and you forget it's done. When you get about 3 hours in, open it up. You don't want to be in there too long with the grill open, because you don't want to lose all of that good temperature that you've gained over them 3 hours. So you don't want to sit up there with the hood of the grill open too long. When you open it up, what I want you to try and do is notice a few things. You're going to notice the color of the fat. You don't want it to be bright white no more, like how you bought it out of the store. You almost want it to be almost like an amber or yellowish. That's what you want it to be. If you have that, that's pretty good. You won't have any drying in the meat. Cover it again. Don't put nothing on it. Don't leave it alone. Now. Leave it alone. Cover it again. Forget about it for another 2 hours. By this time, you've been on for 5 hours. For all intents and purposes, the meat is cooked. And you should have a very rigid bark where you put that seasoning. If you run a knife across it, it should sound like you're running a knife across toast. Once you achieve that bark, you good. What you said?
Appreciate that, big
We
dog.
should say amen as soon as you finish that last statement.
As
Can
soon
I
as
get
I
an
do
amen?
what you say? Amen after what? What you said, brother?
As soon as you're done with the meat and it has the right texture, the right temperature, and it's doing what exactly you want it to do.
Yeah, that's how you do that right there, brother. Then you're gonna take it and you're gonna put that same meat, you're gonna wrap it in aluminum foil. Not tight, a loose aluminum foil. Loose. So it's not tight on the meat, not tight on the skin, just loose. You're gonna put it back in there in that smoker maybe another 2 hours. Now, 8 pounds, you almost want to go about an hour a pound when it comes to short rib. So if it's a 5 pound short rib, you want to smoke it about an hour. If it's a 12 pound short rib, you're going to be smoking half a day. You know what I'm saying? 12 1 hour candles. So after you put that in, it's been going about 5 hours now. Now that last little ending, the aluminum foil, what it does is moisten the meat on the interior. Get it good and moist. You do that another 2 or 3 hours, you pull it off. At this point is when most people make the worst mistake. You don't want to make this mistake. You cut the meat right then. Don't do that. It really does matter that you rest the meat. And in this situation, you want to rest the meat no less than 30 minutes. And if you can, rest it for an hour. What Jay want to get cold? It won't get cold. It's going to be in that aluminum foil. It'll be right there. It'll be okay. Okay. Hey, Monique, look at us. We're above 26. All we have to do now is be patient. Two things are going to happen. Either we're going to sell 67.47 or we're going to wait and we're going to buy some 67 26s and 27s. It'll happen in another minute and 49 seconds.
Booyaka.
Can you just repeat that just so I be
Don't
sure?
worry, I'm gonna walk you through it. We're looking at
Okay.
what two numbers have we been looking at this entire time?
We've been looking at the 10s and 26s.
Good, very good. We said either they're gonna wrestle here for a while, either to get below 10 or above 26. Then we say that.
Yeah.
Now we don't know which way it was gonna go, but they're telling us pretty good now that they want to go up. Can you believe that?
Yes.
All right. So now all we got to do is be patient. Be patient.
Okay.
We don't have to rush into it because the money's going to be here all day. We don't have to rush.
All day.
We don't have to rush. The money's always here. We could talk about short ribs. So rest the meat. The reason why you want to rest the meat is because liquids run away from heat. And your meat is hot, so all the juice wants to run away from the center of it. But if we rest the meat, if we cut it while it's hot, all the juice will now escape. We want to rest it so the juices no longer want to run away from the meat. You want to let it come and relax. And after that, you cut it open. What you're going to hear is, if you scrape that knife across the top of that bark should be black, maybe brown, depending on your seasoning, but it'll be a deep color. And boy, you take that knife and scratch across that meat, it'll sound like toast. Boy, you do that and you cut that short rib and you plop it on somebody's plate hard like it's a, you plop it on their plate hard like it's a 5-pound dumbbell. Like use it like that. When you serve it to them, you don't serve a short rib in a tender way. You don't do it like that. That ain't how you do no short rib. They holding their plate like that. You want to drop it where it feel like they catching something. They say, "Whoo, Lord." They gonna say, "Whoo." When they do that, because it's about, it's a drama. Okay, we're gonna be trying to buy some 26s, buy some 25s, anywhere between 27 and 25 on the ES. We're gonna try and buy. On the NASDAQ, you'll be happy somewhere at 240, 982. Either that or 249.85. If they don't come down, they don't come down, but we don't want to rush we don't want to rush them and make them come down to nowhere. This is a tricky part for traders because, Monique, what this part is, listen to me, this might be the best lesson I've given in the last 2 weeks. You ready and you know what you want to do. What you have to trust is if they don't come and get you from where you said, then forget them.
Don't catch the bus if it's not at the stop.
I'm telling you in Jesus' name.
Booyaka.
Don't you? So they might be up there at 34 and you see the candle turn green and you say, I'm just going to go in right now. How many people do that or have done that? It's not going to come back down. I'm just going to get in.
I call it George Push the Button, Big Dog.
What you say?
Over
a liar when it first starts.
Man, I'm telling you, you press that button and guess what it'll do? It'll go up green for a second, come down red, stop you out, and then go right where you thought it was going to go. You will feel so low. You'll feel like the lowest person. Boy, you'll feel so low. Watch the NASDAQ 249.78s, and I'll see where the congruent price is on the ES here. If you're multi-contract, Monique, they might want to bounce these 28s and 30s. You see these 30s reacting very well. It's according to the NASDAQ. You see the NASDAQ wants to buy up from this place as well. According to your risk parameter, 29 then could be something that'll work for you, if not 25, 26, just because they're not going to let it come back down any lower in this circumstance. You want the 26, but if you notice that they will not give it to you, you might have to participate a little higher. Now I'm teaching you higher level thinking on entry styles and techniques. You see, because I'm showing you how to measure your ES entry from a NASDAQ circumstance. You see, the NASDAQ got in where I told them to 249.80. Now the 249.80s cover that because maybe the ES still will be aggressive and want it to come down. And then rather than 249.80 pushing us up, maybe it'll come down a little bit lower. So if you're 249.80, you cover it. And let's see if the ES will come down into the zone where we wanted it to come. This is the 26 to 27 area. You see?
Mm-hmm.
So right there, it wasn't so much that you were in a bad place. It was just that the ES has a brother that said we can't go down no more. And it stopped you from getting in. You see how that works?
Yes.
Now this right here, this graduate level, what I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Okay.
What I just did right there is not in any of my courses. So you measuring one off of what the other will do. Now, I'm not saying jump it 27s. Now you just going to jump and get you a 34. But what I'm saying is you wanted 25, 26, 27, but you see now why you didn't get it. You see?
Right. Yes.
Right. You see?
Hey, Jay, I got a question.
Yeah. Somebody
Hold
probably
on.
had
We
one
got
before
Shalice
you.
first.
It's a
Yeah.
lot of people had questions.
Oh, my
If
fault.
you
My fault.
had
I'm
questions,
sorry.
throw your hands up because
Yeah.
I was talking about them short reel.
Right. I
And,
still have a question, Jay.
okay, Shalice, you
Shalice,
go,
yeah.
and everybody, we gonna go in order. I'm gonna do a fast round robin, and then we'll go like that. Let's go.
It's gonna be real fast. I just have a question
No,
on
no, I'll be fast. You can take your time. I have a
Okay.
tendency to be long-winded, my wife says, and I think she's right. So brevity is going to be my way here, and then we'll be out of here. Go for
I
it.
think it's a musician thing because my dad is a musician and he's also very long-winded. But anyway, so the initial entry on the 4062s on gold. So you see how that candle, it just passed up the 4062. So I didn't enter it as it was crossing because like as you just told Miss Monique, when she got in at those 67.10s before that candle closed, I wasn't sure if I was supposed to get into it as that initial 4062 entry was moving or if I should wait to see if it'll come down and tap it. So then on that next candle on mine, it didn't get to the 4062. It got to like 4062.7 or something like that. So it didn't tap me in. And then it, went back up again. So my question is, should I have entered the initial as it was crossing, waited for that candle to close, or waited until it got back down close to 4062?
I think this is what you call an entry techniques, and your entry technique is going to be a little bit different than your entry reason. There are many techniques for entering a trade, the timing of it, when to do it. It's okay to do it however you wish, as long as there's one thing. My rule is, are you okay with the risk associated with the decision? So you might buy 63 as it's going up, touching it for the first time. If it gets to 63, I will enter as a buyer. Fine. But if it does not work, where will it go and can you live with that? So if it starts going down, where will it go and can you live with that? So it's not a matter of, do you do it when it's going up? Do you do it when it's went up and coming back? Do you do it, no, it's not it's always a matter of, can you deal with what happens if it doesn't go your way? That's the biggest question. After that, you enter however you want to. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's just say, I'm gonna buy here.
Held.
Well, I do think it's going to go up today. Jay saying it. Everybody's saying it's going to go up. Let it keep on going up. But the question is, if it does not go up from here, how long can I hold on to being wrong? You see, do you have $400 worth of waiting and patience? Do you have, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not saying you wrong today, but you might be wrong now. And if you're too wrong, they'll stop you out, take your money, get out of it. You know what I'm saying? So you have to decide, if this doesn't go my way, however I enter, If it doesn't go my way, can I deal with the circumstance of it being wrong? So let's just say if I'm a buyer there, I'll put a stop here. So here's my sell stop. That means I'm willing to risk from 250.34 down to 81. For all intents and purposes, that is 30s to 80s is 50 points. 50 points, that's $1,000. So I'm willing to risk $1,000. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Who cares?
Fell.
You see what I'm saying? If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Who cares?
Okay.
So that's the mentality is not how do you do it. I'm always thinking, what if it doesn't go my way? Am I willing to live with the outcome of it not going my way? And then that's how I decide how to get in.
Okay.
Okay. Very good question. Do you have another or are we done?
Yeah, I have a small follow-up question.
Okay.
So on those 67.10s on ES, you were like, if we get back below 67.10, so it went from like 67.10 to like 67.08, but you were telling Miss Monique to be patient. So what's the difference in like why you would tell Miss Monique to wait for the candle to close?
Because no candle is done until it's dead.
Excuse me, Jay, we're getting close to the 46s that you told me to watch out for.
That's where the sellers are. They should push you down a bit. Would you believe me if I already told you I gave you your $500 back?
Yeah, I believe it.
I believe you. I just don't know what you mean, but I believe whatever you tell me, honestly. But
would you believe me? It's an amazing thing. You know what I'm saying? So notice we won at 25 to 27. The NASDAQ, I taught you how to do that. So you'll be watching the NASDAQ later on. Like it's so many different things, you know. So like, let's just say you get 45s here. 45s will push you back a little bit. If not, what you'll be doing is you'll be buying 60. You can buy 67.30, 775 and cover it really quickly when you do. That'll be a way for you to kind of get what we got going.
Order submitted.
That'll be a way.
agree with you. I think you've given me plenty of
you know, I'm gonna try and get you your money back. It's Friday. I'm gonna try and get it back. You know, the NASDAQ kind of stopped our position there. So rather than us being able to catch the 25s and 27s like we wanted to, they stopped us at the 30s. The NASDAQ people, you all should still be in that trade and making pretty good money. I think right now that trade is worth about $2,000.
Order submitted. I'm sorry, Shalise, for cutting you off. I'm sorry.
Right there, the longs right here, NASDAQ. I think you have the same opportunity, ES 67. You know, it's not obligated, but it does have the ability to buy up again from 67.46 to 67.54. On the NASDAQ, that'll look like 250.63. And then we'll see what happens here at 250.95. I think the 95 will do a pretty good job of pushing the market back in to 250.95. So if you bought the 249.81, I would consider taking targets here in this position because the 45.50 area is really, really strong. They have the right to push the market down. And I think they'll go down and try and get to the 67.37s if they have the opportunity. I think they'll try and do that. At least they'll go down and get 67.41. So that'll look like this maybe. Hold on. Close. It'll look like this. If I do that, let me close this. Right now, the buy was 250.66. I'll do sell stop there. And then I'll do a sell here.
Order filled.
Okay, so right now they have a right to pull, you know, so if I'm looking and we trying to make $500, we're trying to go 67.48, 500 will be down to 38. You know what I'm saying? We don't have to make it all at one time. So we have a little something we need to watch out. We need to watch out for 67.41 as we're going here. Watch them. Okay. Same on the ES we have, on the NASDAQ, we're gonna watch out for 250.42. I'll put a little warning track out for them, see what happens.
Order submitted.
Sorry, I didn't know I couldn't tell if you were telling me to do that call or not. So I think I'm just not hearing what you're saying. So I don't know what's happening with me.
I'm doing it. I'm like, yo, I'll do it with you so you'll see how it is. You
So
know what
you,
I'm
I
saying?
wasn't, okay, so you want, I
Yeah,
should
I
take the
was, I
sell
was, I
now.
was like, okay, well, cool. We'll get some sales. This candle, if you do it, it's okay, but it probably will be a much better sell next candle. So you haven't missed out on anything. If you want to sell in a minute, that's fine. You know, either or. Henry, you have a question while we do this with Monique. Monique, what you will do is you'll watch NASDAQ 250.98s. If they touch that, you should see a vehement sell to the downside. When you see that sell, it'll kind of trigger you in on your ES positioning. Henry, you got a question?
Yes, sir. Man, I finally funded my account. Everything is all up, but I know you told me to stay in simulation.
Yeah.
So I was gonna say, like, how long do you recommend I stay in that? And then also, what are some things that I can do to get my reps up?
Do me a favor right here. I want you to go to your coursework on Yes Vember, and there's a lesson inside of it called How Do I Join and Follow? Let me give you the link so that you'll be able to click that link, save that link. I'm gonna log myself out and go back to the login page. So I'm gonna chat this login page to you. Okay.
Okay. Yes,
Chat the
sir.
login page. Now check the Zoom chat for that. But when you log in, this is what you'll see. You'll see take a course. You click take a course. You scroll
Mhm.
till you see Yes Vember. Click on Yes Vember. And
Okay.
then once you do that, there are a lot of tools and stuff like that in here. But so far, it's been 3 bonus trainings. The bonus training about Ninja Trader platform, how what the market is as a beginner, and then how do you join and follow along. So if you click that right there, it'll give you kind of tips, tricks, and best ways and best practices to be prepared for joining and following along with us here in the trade room. It'll be very, very beneficial to you.
Okay. Yes, sir. I appreciate that.
Cool, cool, cool. Watch them here. Did they ever touch that little white line? Did they touch it? Okay, on the NASDAQ, you'll see how they touch this white line, 250.94, and you see this hot reaction from it. It's very, very similar to what they're doing on the ES now. So what they're trying to at least show is maybe they will or maybe they not. Maybe they will not be respectful of the place that they're in. What I'm looking for is some sort of kind of cooling off period. I want a cooling off period for the buyers. So I'm looking for them to decelerate. I'm looking for them to stop being able to go up as much. I'm looking for things like wicks above the body of the candle. I'm looking for those kind of things. Until then, I have to be as respectful as possible. What respectful as possible means that, hey, if the position is still, if the position of the market is still, hey, we want to go up, I have to respect that. You know what I'm saying? I really do have to respect that. So right now, what I'm trying to measure is if they will turn around here. I'll know around 67.49 and 67.45s. They'll tell me whether there will be a turnaround or not. And then we'll just continue to be in the market that way. I took this trade for you. Let's try and see if I can take another one that you can follow along on. Okay. While I'm in the middle of that, I think that last NASDAQ call, not to mention all the rest of them, I think I called the NASDAQ from 249.79 or 249.80 up to 250.93. 249.79 to 250.93. I had congruent things going on the ES. I think the ES we had at long 10 to 26. We tried to get back in on those 26s. They wouldn't come down and serve us. They stopped at 30 because of the NASDAQ being hard-headed with us. On gold, I had 40.62 to 40.83 as calls. I still want those 83s to move out of the way. You know what I'm saying? On the NASDAQ, did I have anything else? And on the ES, did I have anything else? I know I had a loss on the NASDAQ selling off the open. That was a price like 246.95. So you got to take away some money from that. 246.95 should call it a $300 loss. And then on the ES, I had something congruent. I believe it was 66.86. Call it a $300 loss, 66.86 short, 300 loss. Okay. Then after we kind of figured where things were, I started calling them long for the first time. My first long call was 01s and 05s long on the ES, and we had it clear till 26. So we had a 01 to 26 long, 05 to 26. Those were in the places. On the NASDAQ, what it was, we wanted to see if 248.00 and 248.23 would do anything. When they didn't, we started getting long right after that. It was the 55s, the 249.00s. All of these things ended up being long. Let's just say we scrap it and I didn't even, get that. Let's say that was the situation. If that was the situation, let's just say I lost money on the NASDAQ, $300 on the first call, and then I just made that most recent call that was 249.80 long. You know what I'm saying? The 249.80 up to 250.95 is, let's just say it was 100 points. 100 points on the NASDAQ is $2,000. If you couple that with 247.23, 247.23 here, that was the short loss. And after that, we end up coming out right around $1,600 worth of calls on the NASDAQ. On the ES, same. Hey, look at us. We finally above 83. All we had to do was be patient for an hour. So I hope you all didn't get out. I told you to just leave the gold stop at 40.65. Just leave it there. Did anybody stay in it?
I did.
Very good. All we have to do is be patient. You're at your next place of possible opposition, 40.94. Okay, and then after that, we go to 41.02. You know what I'm saying? So on gold, we had 62.83, but my goal is to get it up to what is this? 41.17. So 83, we wanted them to move out of the way, and we finally gotten through them. So we got our second target, 94. Then we'll get our third one at 41.04. So this 40.62, we got it long to get to 94. Praise God for that. 62 to 94 is 32 ticks. So that's a $3,200 trade so far. I believe it'll go up to 41.17 at least. The ZB, I had it short from 117.13, and I told you keep the foot on the pedal till we got to 116.25, 117.13. Anybody remember me saying those 13 should sell?
Yes, you said that this morning.
Yeah, and we wasn't gonna really take it off till these 116.25s. I really believe that it could get down to 116.19, but if we just stop it right where it is, say we went down 13 to 27, that is 18 ticks on the bonds. 18 ticks on the bonds is $593.75. 593.75. And I got to give major love to the bonds because of their ability now to do a good job making sure that we know where we're going. Things that you would buy on the ES right now, 67.49, 67.58. All of these things can be purchased. If you were to buy the 58, it would probably feel like this. I'm a little bit high at 62. Let me see if I can catch it from 67.58. Same on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ has got a whole lot of things going on over here. So if you're still down and looking for an opportunity to make money, I think 251.44 is good. I think 251.22 is good. You know what I'm saying? So if you're still down, I'm gonna tell you like Pac said, are you still down for me now? We still got a little ways to go. If you decide that you want to enter, 251.41 is good. 251.22 is good. 250.75 is good. These are all good places. When you're targeting, just target for how much money you're down. Don't stress yourself out. It's Friday and it's been a fantastic week, so you don't have to stress yourself about it. You know what I'm saying? Don't stress yourself. Let it bounce, cover it quick, let it run. We have one more contract left here on gold. I'm going to remove the targets. If you kind of got into those trades, I'm just trying to get you paid right here, Monique. I'm a little tired of teaching, and I'm ready to get up from out of this seat. So you see I'm kind of calling them rapidly. Because I think the ghost is gone. The ghost is gone. I'm ready to get up now. I don't want to play the game no more. I'm tired of playing. Uh, Gold is $3,200 worth of calls. Let's just say that if you take it right now, 3,200. Nasdaq is 1,600 overall, and that's even with okay. If you got the 141s, they already popping for you on the Nasdaq. Cover them quick. Let them pay you your money. Hey, if you got the what it was, I said 60, 66, 61, 66, 58. I mean 67, 61. If you got those, it's paying your money. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
It's paying you your money. Get your money. It's a good day. Don't sit up here and quench the Holy Ghost if he's trying to bless you. So go on
There
and
was a sale, right, Jay? On there? I ain't take it. I was just curious. You was talking about a sale on NASDAQ?
no. We buying that. We buying that. We long. Yeah, we long. The long. So you're gonna get long, you're gonna cover it. You know what I'm saying? Because it can come down a little bit. Get long, cover it. Take targets when you make the money that you wanted to make today. So if you say, man, I'm down 150, that thing go 150 for you, take your you know, if you get in there and you're down 200, when it hit 200, take your money. You know what I'm saying? I tell you all the places you buy from. If you didn't get the 61s and they paid you, watch here. Here comes 67.58. They're going to also bounce. NASDAQ 251.22. When it touches it, it'll bounce up a little bit. You see how they're doing it right now? Watch it. They're going to come down here 251.25 to be exact. So when it touch it, it'll touch it, then it'll bounce up. When it bounce up, take the money. Take the money. What? See how it's bouncing up? Let it bounce up. If it bounce up, you take that money. You see that? That's $300-400 right now. Boom, boom. You see that? You see it's bouncing up from that number. 24s, it'll go on up. That's already. You see that? You see that? 150. You take the money as it's coming to you. If you bought them 59s or something like that, take the money. God giving it to you. You just put your hand right out. Just put your hand right up under the faucet. If the money running over, you just put your hand out there. It's gonna pay you the money. You see what I'm saying? So that way nobody has got to leave in the red. Now I've told
Let me
everybody.
say this out loud, Jay. Janelle, if you're listening, this is where it's at. Because Janelle put in that she might be in the red.
Oh,
So
I'm up $300 now. Thank
oh,
you.
okay,
Posted.
great, great.
Yep.
If we can't be
All right.
in the red no more. I'm calling them
Nope.
like, I'm calling them quick,
No
fast.
problem. I was checking on you.
Fast.
Thank you, and that's why I love y'all. I love y'all.
Okay.
No
At
problem.
the end there on the ES, we end up going, we went 68.86 short. That blew up in our hands. Then we called 1 to 26. We couldn't catch the 26 long, but man, we had our eye on the prize. They left us because they left us from 30. And what we just doing right now is just sweeping up the flow. You know what I'm saying? Making sure that we make a little money off of all the little stuff that's there. So I think on the NASDAQ, you could sprinkle another $200 worth of calls there. On the ES, if you took them, that trade I told you to take 59 them, you made your money. If you took 61, you made your money. What they're going to start trying to do is figure out a way if they're going to start coming down now. Okay. So the next place that you would consider buying from maybe might be 250.99, but I like 250.75. If you already made your money now. Don't let it turn green and then you get that greed in your eye and then now it's going to turn back red. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm telling you how to make your money back. Didn't I tell you?
Yes.
Okay, I ain't lying now when I'm telling you.
You did it.
Buying up here can be very dangerous because up here they might want to go the other way. So when you get it, you got to get it, cover it up. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to get on out of here by 10 o'clock. I told myself every day this week I was going to get up at 9:30, and I didn't do it not one
Thank
time.
you so much, Jay, for all your patience with me. I
No, it's
appreciate it.
love. It's love. I just want to make sure you get that money you're supposed to get. But then, come on here with it, flow with it.
Yes.
Look right here. Watch this. Who are they? Right. Okay, cool. 67.54. They're gonna give you a good look from there. Watch out. The 54s will give you a good look. If they kind of bump from there, don't be nervous. But I don't think this is our time where we just want to be vehement sellers right here, 67.54. Don't let it do that. Okay. I called 1600 on the NASDAQ, even with the losses. I call 1 to 26 or even 5 to 26, whichever one. That's 21 points on the ES. 21 points on the ES is $1,050. So even if you take away the $300 worth of loss, you're still gonna end up with $750 worth of calls. To me, gold was our star today. We was able to catch 62 long, and then they went up to 83 and cracked them right in his doggone neck. You remember that he squeezed 83 like that? He squeezed him, and that boy started squealing and shaking. And 83 finally died. And we moved on past him and got up to 94. If you held on, you held on, and I'm proud of you holding on. Not to mention, I just told you that these 67 54s, they'll push you back a little bit. And so with 250.96. So if you in there, you taking these calls, I'm calling them out just in case y'all don't have no money, because I don't want to close it and it's Friday and it's over and you sitting in your room sad. Like, Jay didn't tell me. I didn't know where to play to buy a sell. I didn't know. No, no, no. This last 5 minutes, I done at least call another $1,000. At least every one of them levels. I'm calling counters as the market coming down. I'm telling you where to buy. You know what I'm saying?
Yep, sure enough.
I'm telling you now what they are. I'm very good at this. So if you took them 54s, that's 250 to you. If you took the 250 97s, 250 95, that's good for you. Take your money. Take it. It's not guaranteed. These boys could keep on coming to the downside. They could. I don't want them to, but they could. And if they do, you're gonna be mad because you get in at 67.54, and then that greed get to you, say, oh, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up. Next thing you know, it's at 67.50 and you down, and you saying, I should have just got out when Jay said. We don't love the money, we love discipline, we love doing good things, we love behaving right. If you don't want to get out of the trade, at least take your stop and cover. Do something for yourself, you know? Okay. If we add everything up today, 593 on the bonds. I'm trying to be very, call them out very early, teach and stuff like that, and call them with clarity. Anybody feel like I had good clarity today? Was I calling things clearly, or was it very confusing for you?
It was
Very
clear.
clear.
Pretty
Yeah,
clear.
very clear.
Okay. Sometimes it's so very difficult to listen, where I say, okay, we got another minute and 23 till we do something. And sometimes you want to do it, man, just make sure that you're very patient, that you're listening and things like that.
Hello?
Make sure that you're listening. And it's okay. At
Hello?
any point in time, hello, how you
Yes,
doing?
ma'am.
Yes, yes, how you doing? Hold on.
Clobbered.
You got clobbered today? I hope you didn't get clobbered today. You shouldn't have. All you had to do was click one button and be patient.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have got clobbered today. If you got clobbered, it ain't no good thing. 59.73 on the bonds plus 750 on the ES plus 1600 on the NASDAQ plus 3200 on gold for a total of $6,143. If I add that to our already present total of trades, which is $65,916 thus far, we are standing at a total. Let me put this
I wouldn't
in.
even total that yet, man. I will add that counter move you had on the NQ. Look at it, baby.
Look at it. Woo.
Look at it, baby. You told him. You told him.
God
I will add
is
that.
good. God
I
is
got
good. God is good, and we
I
bless
got
his holy name. We do. If you have some scruples and you willing to let it run, because it ain't lunchtime yet. Let them boys go to 250, 255. Let them go to 253. Let them go if they want to go. If they want to be stupid, go on and let them. But what I was trying to do, DG, for the babies, they might be down 200, 300. They don't know what's
Yeah, I
going
got
on.
you.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah, I
all.
got you. Yep, I
Anybody
got
still
you.
holding those long positions, ES, NASDAQ, or did you just take your money and get on out of there?
Took the money
Took the money and got
took
out.
the money
That's
out.
Praise the
it. Good.
Lord. Because then
Yep.
what you'll do then, Friday afternoon, you won't be mad.
Mm-hmm.
The whole weekend.
Boy, exactly, DJ.
The whole weekend.
DJ, you'll be mad Saturday. People say, why are you so mad? The sun is out. Everybody's having a good time. You say, I left that doggone trade on and it turned on me. You know what I'm saying? It make you mad at yourself.
You
So
wrestling with that.
61.43. I'm not counting those last trades I peppered in at the end. But man,
Gotcha.
I bought 61 and it went up to 64. I bought 58 and it went up to 62. I called 54 and it went up to 59.
I was the 154.
I called
I loved it.
250. I called 251.48 and it went up to 62. I called 251.25 and it went up to 251.48. I called 250.95 and it went up to 251.48. I'm not even calling that inside of the total today. That little last little bit. And I want y'all to know, if you saw how fast I call them like that, that's how fast I trade when I'm trading.
Yeah.
We could be done with the trading as soon as we sit down. It don't take no long time. It don't. Our total right now, drum roll, please, everybody. Brrr, come on, give me your drum roll. And if you stick around, I got something very special for you because I'm going to do something really kind to the people who are willing to stick around and get the assignment. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. Brrr. Our total for 2 weeks is $72,059.75.
Hit it to him one more time.
$72,059.75 with one contract.
There you go.
With one. With one now.
Jay, you post that, they gonna say you scamming.
They all gonna say it. And forget them then.
Listen, yep, that's right.
Because I ain't no lie. I don't have
But I
no
want y'all to
reason.
think about if y'all made 10% of that for the time we've been together.
Just 10.
How you feel?
20. If you will listen when I say, hey, wait for it, we got another minute. Or if you say, oh, he say buy right here, I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna click that, it's gonna go. Okay, get out. When you see the money you want, go on and get out. Don't let the greed get to you now.
Yeah,
oh, hey, do me a favor. Stay in gold. We stay in it. Stay in it. Don't let it go. It look like it's coming down. I'm gonna go on and take my profit. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar and a defeated foe.
Jay, before you go, I need you to talk to one person that's in the chat. He's new and he wants to know some information. His name is Albert Williams.
Hey,
And,
Albert, how you doing?
If you could unmute your mic, Albert, we would like to talk to you live. If you can unmute your mic, appreciate you.
Hey, how you doing,
Time
boss?
seeing you just by
There you
luck just
go.
popped up. How do I join your way of explaining the overall mood of the room is so different? Excellent. Thank you for this live. I should have put the little link, www.yes-vember.com. Join us here. My bad, James Lee. I think it's probably James Lee. I'm gonna pin this, and I don't know how to work the internet. Can I go? I'm gonna go to James' channel, and then maybe I can send a message. Is there a way where you could send a message to somebody on YouTube? Can you do that on YouTube? Can you send a message?
I don't think so. I
I
think
don't
you
think
message
You
you.
just have to reply if they
What
post
I'll
something.
do, you know what? I'll go underneath. Oh, he's a beat maker. This is a producer. I'm gonna go underneath no, that say Digital Hustle Films. What's one of his videos?
Yep.
What's one of his? Give me 1 second, DG. I'm gonna get to Albert. Albert, don't
No
leave.
problem.
I'm just trying to make sure that I'm diligent over this this person right here,
Alrighty.
James. Let me see. Is this his James Lee? Is this gonna be his thing? Mark's review tutor. He got a lot of other people's videos. Playlists, Prince visits. How do I make it so that I can mention him in one of his videos? Created playlist, view playlist. Does it have uploads? Maybe Prince cards, VSTs. He's got VSTs. This is a musician. Omnisphere is up right here. JL Brown. So he's a musician. Golly, I wish I can get to him. James, I'm not sure if you're still there, but if you're there, brother, I'm trying to get to you. If you watch this later, I'm really trying to get to you. And if anybody knows how to get to, is there a way to reply to this comment? Replace pin, remove, put user, add as moderator, go to channel activity. Man, I wish there was a way I can respond to this person. It would be great to be able to do that. I'll try and figure out. I'll leave the tab open and maybe I can figure it out later. Albert, you have a question?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm new to the stock stuff and all that, so I don't really have any knowledge with it.
Good.
I was wondering if you have like a class,
beginner
like
course.
people that's trying to
Just kind of starting out. It's a
yeah.
beginner course. You already have it, Albert. Well, your name is Albert Williams. Did you sign up for Yes Vember?
Yes, yep.
You got here because you signed up on a page that looked like it was rainbow colored. You put your name and email and stuff like that.
Yeah, I got a friend from work sent me the link. That's how I got in.
That friend loves you. You should buy them lunch today.
I will when I get some money.
Does the numbers 1379 mean anything to you? And hammer cross?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you signed up a few days ago. Is this your first day in?
Second day.
Good.
Yesterday I tried to join, but my phone died. And
let me show you something, okay? This is my CRM, and this is you. See, Albert? Okay. Now you have access to something called Yes Vember. It's a course, and it looks like this. Inside of this course, we have information about Yes Vember, and we have beginner training, how to master the platform, and how do I join and follow along. If you watch these videos, which you already have access to, notice as it says course offers, and it has Yes Vember on your profile. So you already have this. I want you to log in, and I want you to watch the videos, because what you're asking for, you already possess.
okay.
Now let me show you how to get to it. Do you know how to get to it?
Do I just Google it?
No. You would go to this link right here. Go to this one. Go to that one. Click on that and then log in with that same hammer email. If you don't have a password, make one. When you log in, you'll get to a place that says take a course. Click on that. Then you'll go down to the place where it says Yes Vember. Click on that. Then when you get in there, get to watching.
All right. Start learning.
That's what I would do.
Alrighty.
Jason, Jason, after signing up, how long does it?
You might be skipping the line. I'm not sure who was next.
Sorry.
I love you.
Yeah, Big Brother has his hand up. But
just put your hand up and you'll be next. I still got you. I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm just tired of trading. I don't want to look at it.
We good, Albert?
Yes, sir. I appreciate you guys. Thank you.
It's all
no
good.
problem, Big Brother.
God is good. God is good.
Go ahead, Big Brother. Big Brother.
I know, right? While you're in the web page, are you able to show us how to get to the dashboard? You said in the email that you could go on the dashboard to see your referrals. I sent a bunch of email yesterday, so I want to make sure they're counting properly.
Okay. Well, if you go here to your Yes Vember course, there's a course called How to Share Effectively. On how to share effectively, you will have the link to your dashboard. Your dashboard is also in your confirmation email as well. The one that says it's a pink button that'll say invite your friends. But this is my unique link. I'm going to share this link with you. And when you click it, it should take you to your referrals. Click that link I just put inside of Zoom and tell me if it's if it takes you to your referral.
I see my referral as one. That means the emails I sent yesterday don't add here.
Hold on one second. Did it take you to a page that looks like this?
Yes, I'm here right now.
Fantastic. Now that's your dashboard. You should save it or bookmark it in your browser. This link right here is a unique link. So you want to copy it, maybe go to LinkedIn, and then you say, hey, I was in the room today and it was so much fun. I was trading today. It was fun. Join here. And then I'll do that. And then I'll post it, and then that's that. Or I might say, oh, wow, I was live yesterday. I was live, and you could watch me trade and replay or whatever. So you would click it anywhere, LinkedIn, and you might go to your Facebook and you'll share it, and you'll see that your dashboard will reflect how many people you have shared it with. I think right here they got these posts so that you can, if you click on right here, like say you wanted to share, you can just click right there and it'll open up your Facebook. Wow. 72K in 2 weeks. Even my mind is blown. If you're not in this room, you hate success and winning, and you excuses. So I'm gonna post that. That's real, provocative and get the people going. I'll post that. You can share it just like that, and it will go and go and go. You feel me?
So it shows those that took action on your referral,
It
not
shows the people who took action, not the people you sent it to, but the people who signed up because of it.
okay,
Big
that.
brother, what is your
Thank you.
real name? I will tell you. I will show you your profile so you could see how many you shared it with and all that. What's your real name?
It's Tosin. T as in Tango, Oscar.
Oh, this Tosin.
Yes.
You've been rocking with me for a minute. Have you like jumped in and really learned or anything like that, or gotten a course over the years or anything?
Oh, I've learned so much. My issue right now is time. My job just recently moved from working remotely to coming to the office.
Uh-huh.
So it's
Okay, let
now
me ask you a question.
readjusting my schedule.
How long you been around me? Because I don't remember. I remember your name because I still read every name, but I don't remember seeing you coming into the trade room a lot. Why haven't you been in the trade room?
Yes. Because of my job schedule, it's changed. So
But
I used to be
you
able to
work
work
all day?
remotely.
You work all
Uh,
day?
8 to 10 hours sometimes.
What time do you get off in the evening?
I get up at 5 o'clock, depending on what project I'm working on.
Do you know that we trade in the night?
Oh yes, I do.
Well then,
I'm
you've
aware.
shared 20 times. I can
There you
see that
go.
20 times, but only Cynthia has joined.
Yes.
Yeah, only Cynthia.
The accountant that would refer are not the number of times I've shared.
Yes, I'm counting the referrals, not the number of times you share. I can't count how many times you pull the trigger. I gotta count how many times you hit the target.
Oh man, we should get some credit for at least taking an aim because you miss every shot you don't take, right?
I understand that fully. That's why, let me show you this. That's why if you look at what I've set it up as, for just being here, for just signing up, you get me for a month. What do you think is most valuable, an email or $72,000? What would you rather have, my email address or $72,000?
$72,000.
Good.
Yes.
So far you're ahead. Let me keep walking it down for you so you know I walk it all the way down because I thought my way through this. What am I giving the people? How will I make sure that they get a lot? Go to this. If you look at your course, go to prizes and milestones. Now, this is your shares, 5, 25, 50, and then my top 50 shares, my top 10 shares, and my top 1 share. These are all the prizes. I want you to go right there to the next one. It's called Must Read Award Ceremony. Everybody wins. Just for being a part of it, you're going to have me personally for a month, not just calling it out, but actually teaching. Actually teaching. It would be enough if
Which is
I
way
just
more
said
valuable.
buy
Yeah.
now, sell now. But I'm saying buy now, sell now. Don't do this. Watch out for this. Oh, this is how that happens. Look, this is market structure. This is entry technique. This is stylizing. You see that? So it's already a course. It's like a live workshop every day. So just by being here, you're getting money and education. And if that's not good enough, then on the awards night, everybody gets something from me. And what I have, I've never put in a course before. I'm going to give everybody material that has never been taught formally before, just for showing up.
So,
Who do you think is on the right side of this trade? Do you get the most or me? This is the part when I'm on
everybody
vacation.
wins.
I get an email, you get me for a month calling trades and teaching and course activity and opportunity. Who getting the most, me or you?
Me.
Myself.
Me.
We
I
are.
am.
I'm on the bad side of the trade, ain't I?
Yep.
Unless you really have a goal of helping people. Then you're on the good side. Just so happens I really do have that goal.
Yeah, you changed the game with this.
Thank you, Jay.
You already know what it is.
Jay, you might want to add to your total.
Yes.
2573, 250.73 on NASDAQ.
I told you it ain't even lunch. You might want to hold on to it and see what it do. See, it came down to that next blue line then, 250.67. I called that one. I did say 67.50. I ain't crazy. I know where they're gonna go up and down from. I ain't lost my mind.
All right, Clara.
Hey Clara, how you doing?
Yeah.
Hey, Jason. I was just going to ask how long does the courses take after you sign up? Because I had my cousins sign up yesterday and they couldn't see the videos. They had to sign in through me to see the video.
It's immediate. What's your cousin name?
Stanley Torres and Kayla.
Let me see if I can find him. Stanley. I see him. The number 6768 mean anything, so he's here. This is his profile. I'm just going to make sure that he has. Yeah, so I'll share my screen so you can see. I'm not holding it back. This is his profile right here. This is his name. See, Stanley.
Yeah.
So here he has it. I'll send him a text. Hey, Stanley, you have access to the course. Just look for an email from me called Yes, Vember, Share, and Win. Search that in your
Brother Larry, you're gonna be last. We got one more person I'm gonna check on before, right? You're gonna
Thank
be
you,
last.
Jason.
Spam.
I'm cool with that.
All right.
He just want to know how long he should hold a trade. And I'm gonna tell you.
No, actually, it's a dashboard question.
Okay. What's up, dog? But who do I have next, DG? I'm sorry.
Nichelle. Oh,
Hey, Michelle Madison or Nichelle?
no, Nichelle.
Oh, what's
Antoinette.
up,
I think
Michelle?
Oh, hey, Jay. Oops. Hey, guys. Sorry. When you guys were trying to share the link through YouTube, I was going to direct you through it.
Yes, please. How do I do that? Here I am now.
Click on where it says under his handle, it says more about this channel. Click
Yeah.
more. And if he had an email address, it would be right there. But he didn't log one. He didn't save one in there.
Okay.
But that's where you will always find the emails.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank
I'll look out for it.
Go ahead, Larry.
What I want to know is, do I have two links? Because I'm looking at my dashboard and it says I have 0 shares. I know I've got an email saying your friend whatever has joined. So, but my dashboard is showing nothing.
I have only your only one for you, and you have 4 people that you've referred already. Shakin, Chaz, Lamont, and Kendall.
Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, when I go to my dashboard, it's telling me to sign up for join Yes Member, and
That is that's probably not your dashboard. Your dashboard will have that look where it has a unique URL and it wouldn't say join. It'll be like welcome to.
and that's what I'm struggling with, because every time I send it, I go to my original email.
Do me a favor. Let's just start it together right here. Do me a favor, and I'm about to share a link in the chat. Where's the chat? Would you click the link I just shared in the chat and see where it takes you?
Okay, now that takes me to a URL, but
Oh, wait, what do you see on that URL? Welcome
I
to
mean, it
Yes
takes me
Vember.
to the page and it's showing the shares and it's giving me the unique URL.
Okay. How many shares do you see there?
I see four referrals.
Bookmark that page, please. That's your dashboard.
Okay, I'll try to transfer that to my laptop too. Let's see.
Okay, who's next? After that.
Thanks, Jay.
Yeah, I called Larry to be last, but
Oh, that's it. We're good. And no other questions.
Yeah, I think we're good, bro.
It was a fantastic day, man. God is good. We made a little money.
Jay, real quick, I just wanted to make sure. Did you get that email? The link that I sent you for the
let me see.
for the sound wave?
Let me see.
All right.
I gotta check my email. I haven't checked it today. I know I got your message, but I don't even think I've opened email. Let me see.
You good, French Jones? You good, brother? You can just nod your head if you want. You good, brother?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, DJ.
All right. Cool. All right.
Yeah, Bully Anthem. Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Okay.
There we go. If y'all don't know, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all give it up for DeCarlos. He created a bomb bully anthem for Yes Vember. It's amazing. It's amazing, man.
Yeah.
DeCarlos, would it be okay if I were to play it, share it, put it in different places or use it on social media, et cetera, et cetera? Is that all right now?
Yes, do as you please. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. That's
Yep,
all right. That's all right. So you all look for that in your course material. If you want to, I would add it as a file I'm sharing right here. Let me see if I can share it to you via the chat in Zoom so you can have the copy of it. There it is. I'm uploading it now to the chat, so you should be able to download it there. God is gold is still going. I tell you it was gonna go. You surprised? Don't be surprised at it. It's all right. It's all right. It's
You
all
know I ain't surprised.
be surprised. I don't want you to even be surprised at it. I don't want you to be surprised till it get up to
Got my anthem, brother. Got my anthem.
I don't think you have to be surprised. If I'd be surprised 42.25.
Oh, okay. All right, then I'm gonna leave my runner on.
Yeah. Just keep moving your stock, keep moving it up, lock in some stuff. If you're in your combine or whatever, if you're in your PA, that's all you got to do. Anybody else with any other questions?
I think we're done for the day, but Chanel wants to know what are the next targets for the NQ. What do you see? I think we're done for the day, though.
Chanel, which Chanel is this? Is Chanel my bad kid?
Chanel Washington.
Chanel, say hi. How you doing?
You can open your mic, Chanel. And Charlisa got her hand up. So if Chanel don't answer, Charlisa, go ahead and open your mic. Oh, there you go, Chanel.
All right. How you doing, Chanel?
I'm blessed and highly favored.
Yes.
Go to the moon. Go to the moon in this situation. You just you don't stop it. You just let it go. You don't take a target. You keep advancing your stop in this situation.
Okay,
Where did you buy in?
25,190.
Okay. Okay. What I want you to do is how long you been learning from me? How long you been with me, or are you a visitor? You never been trading with me before?
I have before. It's been a while. It's been probably a couple of years.
Why you being so
Since I've
bad?
been
Why you being so bad and won't stick around?
life be life and sometimes. So
Would you rather have life or would you hang out with me in the morning before life start laughing?
well, like you said, the hardest part.
I'm not talking about that. I'm saying, what would you rather do now? Hang with me before life start laughing, or let life life and don't never hang with me? Which would you rather do? Oh, now she don't.
I think Mike went out.
I don't know, but I'm gonna kick it.
I don't know. Now she don't want to talk.
Nah, I think a mic went out. It kind of chopped up, and then
Yeah.
And she was speaking.
When she come back, she'll come back.
All right. Charlize. Charlisa.
Good morning. My name is Charcia. How are y'all?
Oh, Charcia. Okay. All right.
So today's my first day.
Hey,
all right. Welcome, welcome.
Welcome. Did you have a good time?
I did. I just watched and observed, and I just, I've dealt with options a little bit in the past and futures a little bit in the past, but I don't know what I'm doing.
I saw Magic's face light up when she saw your name. Magic, these one of your bad kids?
I don't know. Who is that? I don't know.
Yeah.
You know
Well, I
Amber?
found out from you from yesterday. So yes, that's
Oh, okay. Well, welcome. I'm glad you made it.
Thank you. So thank you so much for inviting me to the room. And so one of the things that stood out because I was trying to learn from someone else is when you talked about OPM.
Other people's money.
Yeah, and that's the part that I've been trying to learn and understand. And so I wanted to ask, I did sign up and I'm going to go through the courses, but in the courses, my question is, do you show how to do that in there, or is that something I need to learn in another
talk
way?
about it, but just in case, what I'll do is I'll talk about it right now and I'll cut the last piece of this video and put it inside of the course material just in case. You ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go. So I don't have to cut it later. I'm going to stop it and restart it. Hey, I'm sorry, Charcia, tell me, what is your question again?
So I'm trying to learn the strategy of how to use other people's money. I don't really understand how to do that.
Wonderful. Let me show you kind of what that is all about. Can I show you? Can I take a moment?
Yes, please.
All right. Here we go. Can you see my screen now? Let me see if I can share it. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it now.
Okay, good. There is this thing, and we'll call it a company, and the company has money but can't trade. They got money, but they don't know how to trade. And then there's you. This is you. I know you look much better, but for all intents and purposes. Let's make it maybe blue. And then we'll say, can trade, but no money. Another way that we would say this is peanut butter jelly. So these people, they can't trade, but they have money. Here you are, you can trade, but you don't have any. So what they do is they say this to you. If you prove, is that prove? How prove go? Is it prove like that or prove like this? 2 O's or one?
1 O.
1 O. If you prove you can trade, we'll give you our money to trade with. Ready? That's what they say to you. You say back. This is what you say back. Because you already know. I'm in yes, vember. All I got to do is follow along and we'll make this money. Sure. I'm ready.
I can trade, baby.
Okay. Now, what they're going to do is a couple things. They will test you. Real market data, fake money. They will say this, hit the target before you hit the drawdown, AKA the loss limit. If you do, then we will give you our money trade. Last thing they say is this test costs blank. I want you to think MCAT, the bar, LSAT, SAT, ACT. You take a test, it's gonna cost you some money to take it. You got to pay to go take, the test. Typically, these fees are very small because these combine companies that have money but can't trade, they make their money from people paying for tests.
Okay.
So sometimes a test will be as low as $15, $9, $25. Sometimes they can be as high as $600. All depend on which test you want to take. Okay, but they just cost money. Okay, after you're done, your scenario is I passed. Yay. Now I trade your money. Okay, now once you pass and you trade their money, every dollar you make, y'all will split. When you trade their money, you split the profits. Sometimes it's 80-20 your way, and sometimes it's 90-10 your way. Most companies, 80-20, 90-10. This whole method is called, one thing is called combines or combine evaluation. Combine or combine evaluation. The companies that do this are not sponsored by me, but there are so many. When I first got started, my first one was on One Up Trader. After that, I found out about Top Step. Then there's so many. I think Lilu. Then you have Apex. Then you have Boolinox. Then you have Earn to Trade. Then you have Earn Max. Then you have Take Profit.
Kill that Earn Max, man. Kill that Earn Max.
Earn Max, they
yeah,
dead
they
now?
dead. They dead. Yeah.
Okay. Take Profit. These things have a name. Their names are prop firms. Prop is short for proprietary, and it is proprietary trading technique. So your proprietary trading technique, we did not tell you it is yours, but we will partner with you for you to make money. That's how the whole process goes.
Okay.
Okay, makes sense?
Yes. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. I'm gonna take a picture of this and make it a post for my internet. Boom. There you go. Now it'll be a post. Any other questions?
No, that's everything. Thank you.
All right. Love. Chelsea, that was such a great question. I'm gonna stop the recording so then that way I can put it in the material.
Jay, I didn't have a question first. Thank you. This was like my first $1,500 day. So shout out to you. I just had a
Turn your
suggestion.
camera on. Turn your camera on. Turn your camera on. Let's do it right. Let's do it right.
Sure.
Oh, this is a perfect time to do this. Everybody, if you do this today, I'm going to do a training for you tonight. If you do what I'm asking you to do right now, I'm going to do a training for you tonight. I want you to hold your camera up and I want you to say, video mode. Oh my God, I was just in the room, or I'm in the room with Jay the Trader, and we're doing this thing called Yes Vember, and people are making money in here. It is amazing. You need to join me here. Click the link right now. DM me or comment under this or whatever. Do it. Okay, cool. If you do that, after you're done with that, wherever you share it, LinkedIn, Twitch, TikTok, wherever you share it, email me or text me where you shared it. Here's my email address. My email address is help@iamjaythetrader.com. My phone number, no, it's probably best if you do links to this because then that way they all in one place. So email me at help@iamjaythetrader. You only have until What time is it now? 11:30. If it's 11:30 Eastern, you have until 2 o'clock to make this post. 2 o'clock. Let me show you some samples from people who do it at such a high level. Do y'all want to see some samples?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Do you,
let
you
me
want us
show
to
you
email?
a
Sorry.
sample.
Do
A
you want us to
sample.
email you the actual post though, or just email
Email
you?
me the link to the post. You don't have to send the actual post. You just, hey, I shared it on Instagram, missed the link to it. Because what I found is they
Gotcha.
don't always notify me when people post. You see what I'm saying? They don't always give me a notification. I missed maybe 4 or 5 people on Monday when I did the training. It wasn't good.
Yes, you do.
But if you send me a text or, an email, hey, Jay, I shared it on TikTok. Here go the link. Send that to me. When you send me the link, I'm going to send you a link for where I'm going to be at this evening so we can get to this money, so I can show you how you really get to it. Today, I have something special I'm going to teach you. Let me show you how people do it. That's amazing. It's some amazing ones that I've seen. Let me go to a couple of them. One of them is
Jay, real quick, what time is the class gonna be?
the time the class gonna be tonight. Probably what, by like 6 or something, maybe 6 Eastern or 7 Eastern or something like that. When everybody get off of work, if I go find
Okay, thank
underscore ch this. Okay, this is hot. Did I share my sound? Let me share sound. Now, it don't have to be this professional, Jesus. You know what I'm saying? But this is what people are doing.
Guilty as charged. But every weekday before the sun rises and I've had a good workout, I do something called day trade the futures market. Now, I know that sounds kind of nebulous and complex, and to a certain extent it can be, but not when you have a great teacher. This month, the man who has taught me more about the stock market and investing than anyone I know has opened up his trade room for free for the month of November. His name is Jason Sweeting. This guy is a beast. If you want to see somebody trade live, do some teaching, take your questions, then this is your month to do so, and I can't think of a better place. So if you've ever wondered what day trading really looks like, drop a comment or shoot me a DM and I'll hook you up. I'm pretty sure you know that I write books for a living.
Okay, that's one person. That's Chris. Hop is what we call him. All right.
Nice.
There is another person. Her name is Magic, but I think we call her Abracadabra. She did this. No, that was a live yesterday. Let me see. Where's one of them? Are they in your stories? Maybe they in your stories. Should I check stories?
Yeah, they ain't. I do more stories.
Yeah,
than
let me see
anything.
if I can go back.
Hold on, let's see. I'm about to repost the. I think I know which one you're talking about. Was I? Oh, that's one.
Past my combine account. So in order to trade other people's money, what's this on my face?
I thought that
In
was
order
so
to
funny.
trade other people's money,
Oh,
you have
no,
to
it was
show
another one.
the people who money you want to trade that you can actually trade. So a combine account is like a test account. Let me see what you can do. I had to make a profit of $3,000. I've been trading for 4 days and I just hit that target. So now I'm in the trading room right now. I feel like multiple minds is always better than one mind, right? So I'm so thankful to be in here. So you need to be in here taking advantage, okay? So now when I trade now, and I have profits, every 5 days I can withdraw $5,000.
So she talking to people, telling her what's going on. People have been amazing. They've been jumping in. Let me show you another one. It don't have to be professional and all, like, oh my God, I don't have that size audience. I don't have I don't have this or I don't have that. But look at this.
Just made $550 this morning in my P&Ls with Jay the Trader. Everybody join Yes Vember. Just made $550 this morning in my P&Ls with Jay the Trader. Everybody join Yes Vember.
So it doesn't have to be some professional thing. It doesn't have to be something super formal. It doesn't have to be any sort of thing like that. I want to see that you are sharing the room and sharing that what you are doing with people. You know, the reason why I do this is not for quote unquote marketing. Let me tell you what it does. There is a scripture that says, why would you have a candle or light and hide it under a bushel? The idea that we have in our community is to be available to people, to share with them. Some people will do things like, well, let me know how it's going for you. But other people will say, oh, you doing that? Come on, I want to see. Show me. Show me. And let me tell you, everybody counts. You might not think that your little sharing means something, but I'm going to tell you how life works. The person that you married was a referral. Your favorite movie, somebody told you you should check it out. Your favorite restaurant, chances are somebody said you should try this. All of your favorite things is because somebody told you. And maybe it won't even be for the person. But imagine, I have had students, and this is my God's honest truth. I had a student named Chuck. Chuck is from Ohio, and he bought the course. He never opened it, but his son did. When his son opened the course, his son's been trading for the last 5 years. Now his son is in college and is a trader, been trading for 5 years. His son started when he was 14 years old trading the market. You never know what a seed will do if you don't plant it. But if you do plant it, it'll do amazing things. Okay? So don't be afraid to share it. If you share it, send me the link to where you shared it. Hey, Jay, I shared it on TikTok. Here go the link. I'm going to say thanks a lot. Here go where I'm going to be tonight. We grooving tonight. And tonight I'm going to teach you how I was so good at knowing where the counter trend was going to be. Counter it. How to work, how to win a fight if you're backing up. The seller's selling down so hard and you making money while you punching up. You saw that when we got to that level, you saw how I was calling out everywhere it'll go up from. Bing, 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 bing. You remember that? Anybody remember that?
I remember that, brother. Yeah.
That's what I'm going to teach you tonight. I'll teach you how to do it.
I'm going to be.
Okay. All right. And my teaching sessions, they're real. They're not fake. Like in the room, I'm out here with all these sucking MCs. But my teaching sessions, we get very granular. Now, Felicia, I'm with you now that I shot that commercial.
Yes, thank you so much. It's so funny because I got introduced to you on Clubhouse from back then.
Really?
I did. Yeah.
Time ago.
Long time ago.
We should call it the Yapper. They should have sold that app when they had a
Order
chance.
submitted.
I
They thought
know.
they had a unicorn. Come to find out it was an old snag.
I know. I know. But I actually had just a suggestion, perhaps, because a lot of people ask kind of the same questions, like what is a combine? Why are you putting all them buys and sells? You ever thought about like going in ChatGPT, like saying, can you explain this like as a third grader or fifth grader, what a combine is, how the trade room goes? You put these sells and buys to let you know, because you're watching it. And it's like a lot of people just remember from when I first came into the room way back then, I'd be like, ooh, what is he doing? You're like, what is going on? But
Where,
maybe
if
like
say
a
you
pin
have
code.
that document, where would you put it? Would you
That's what
make
I,
it a
mm,
video before people come into the room and they're in the Zoom waiting room? Would you make it a maybe paragraph that is pinned to the top of the chat every day? Where
that's
would
what I would
you,
do.
where
I would
would you
say,
do
but
it?
I'm a visual, so I'm good with reading text and having it to go back to if I need to, rather so than just a video and have to remember what I heard.
Order
I'm good
canceled.
with having it in
Oh,
text,
so
pin the
maybe a
post.
downloadable PDF, maybe.
Right,
And
right.
then
So
you
they can
put the
have
PDF link every time.
exactly,
Hey, if you're new here, download this.
exactly.
It'll give you some help.
Exactly. All them FAQs that people, because they ask the same questions each time. And then, of course,
Mm,
you're patient, you're going to answer even unique ways to answer it. But I'm like, if they can just read something so he can, when you want to get off, you can get off because you be spending extra time and
yeah,
all of that, which we appreciate. But,
yeah.
just something they can
Do me
read
a
and
favor,
follow.
everybody, right now. Say the questions that people typically ask. Go, say them.
They say, what is a combine?
Combine.
How
How do
much
I,
it costs?
How do I get started?
Call.
It's too fast.
Get started.
When do
Too
you make
fast.
your money back?
Too fast. What is it? When do you make it? What is it? When do you make money back?
How do I set up my charts?
chart setup.
Order canceled.
Say it again. You, Sandy, you was breaking up. Say it again.
How do I set up my chart?
What is ATM?
Oh, what is an ATM?
Kind of anxiety is that?
They ask how much money do I need to start?
Mm-hmm.
What does it mean to go short or long?
How did you find that level?
Short or long. How to find a level. Okay, that's good. Combine, how much does it cost? How do I get started? It's going too fast. What is trading anyway? When
It's
do
different from gambling.
Oh, trading versus gambling. Very, very
What's
good.
a
Can you really make
contract?
money?
What is a contract?
I've never traded before. Can I do it?
Order submitted.
How do I get out of the red?
Chart setup. What is an ATM? How much does it take to start?
What's
Short
the
or
catch?
long definition.
Trading versus investing.
What's the catch?
Yeah.
Suggested combines.
Trading versus investing.
How do I know when to sell or buy?
The price of a micro
You trying to
the
get them
contract.
good to be a trader. We just trying to make sure they don't feel like they in the
Order
zoo.
submit.
When
Order
they-
canceled.
How do I know where to target? When I enter,
Where do I
should
start?
How do I know if
I
this
think
is
we got some good stuff. We good right there.
Yeah.
The Lord
Yeah.
is
Where
good.
do I
He
start?
gonna
Where do I
bless
Order
us.
I've never
submitted.
traded before. Is this for me?
I've never traded before. Is
Can
this
I do this?
Yo,
Suggested combine company.
yo,
What is risk reward?
yo.
Y'all so wild, DJ. You so wild. You such a bad little kid. He over there being bad, trying to play the record.
Yo,
Yeah. What is it? Okay, cool. Are we good? Everybody's good?
Hey Jay,
Yes. What's up,
what's
bro?
up?
I like that soup you made, the chicken and sausage.
Random. What's
Fire.
what's in the
Fire.
fridge?
Fire with
But
the egg
I know this
noodles.
ain't the
Fire.
place for it. I'm about to put it in the chat. But real trader this morning passed the combine, and one day, I had to lose money. It was a 50K. It was up like 5K. I mean, up 3K. So I had to lose a couple dollars to pass the combine. But real trader, we don't talk about it as much these days, but it's still doing what it's supposed to do. Just FYI.
Real Trader is a very, very powerful tool. Man, oh man, you just wait and see. Oh,
That's all I
Jay's
got.
gonna be
Y'all have a
full
good
throttle.
Friday.
Thank you so much, brother. I'm glad Real Trader is serving still doing a good job serving out there. God is good. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna play y'all a song. It's a beautiful record, and I think that y'all should enjoy it. Man, what a wonderful week it's been. We've made a lot of money. We've taught a lot of things. You know, we've done all kinds of cool things. So I'm very, very grateful. I'm gonna share my where is it? Where's my Zoom? There we go. I'm gonna share my screen and share my sound just for the good. If you share the link, make sure you email me, help I'm Jay the Trader. You should shoot that video, man. Just show your face. Show some love. If you don't feel like showing your face, just point at the chart. Hey, I'm in here. I'm learning how to trade. I'm making money. I passed the combine. I did this. Man, whatever it is that's going on, just let your boy know. You know, I would appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Share with your people, share with your audience, because it's about connecting. Everybody being connected to one another. It's a beautiful thing. Y'all check this out.
Yo. Yo, Jay the Trader, the bomb bully general. Turning rookies to pros is unforgettable. Charts in the morning, disciplines pivotal. Sweet inks teaching, straight medicinal. Coffee steaming, charts gleaming, early rise grind. Candlesticks dancing, Jay reads, I'm like a mine. Fibonacci flowing, strategies in motion. Waves crash the market like the tides in the ocean. He said, don't chase, let the trade come find you. Patience like a monk, every move is mindful. Bomb bullies moving like a well-oiled machine. Rick's so calculated, the losses stay lean. Bomb bullies, world renowned. Jay the Trader got the method locked down. From the top to the heart, this is how we move. Discipline and grind, that's the bomb bully groove. gems. Every word a quick fix, no get rich schemes. Just hours in the lab, turning red days to green. Learn to sharpen the jab. Candles light the path like torches in the cave. Markets the jungle, but Jay taught us to behave. Zoom calls popping, strategies dissected. Every trade's a lesson, losses get corrected. Born bully, world renowned. Jay the trader got the method locked down. From the charts to the heart, this is how we move. Discipline and grind, that's the born bully groove. Born bully, world renowned. Jay the trader got the method locked down. From the charts to the heart, this is how we move. Discipline and grind, that's the born bully groove. Born bully.
Hey, big shout out to DeCarlos, man. DeCarlos made this on the 8th of November, last Saturday. You know what I'm saying? Big shout out to him. Big shout out to you, baby. I love it.
Appreciate it.
I love it, big dog. I love it. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie, man. I've been listening to that song. My favorite part, I like when it be like Zoom calls popping, strategies dissected, every trade's a lesson, losses get corrected. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's different. That's different. Nobody else really do that. You know, you in somebody else's room, you lose money, you just lost. You know what I'm saying? But over here, you like, oh, how far you down? Oh, it's all good. We'll fix that. You know, you down 500. Come on, let's make this money. Come on, buy it here. You know, take your profit. Take your profit. Get what you got to.
Today was a prime example because you called several calls afterwards. So hey,
yeah, man. You know, people in the red. My girl Monique, man, she's so special. She know how to trade. She got a great heart. She gonna be a fantastic trader. And it's all right if the kids stumble while they walking, man. We just pick them up, tell them they gonna do good, and they gonna do good. You know. If there's any big lesson that I would take from today, everybody, it is be kind when talking to yourself. Show yourself some love. Don't be harsh to yourself. You know, show yourself some love. Trying to learn how to trade, trying to learn how to control yourself. This is not easy business. If you've been grown for 20 years, 30 years, ain't nobody told you what to do for 20 years, 30 years. 20 years, ain't nobody told you what to do. 20. You know, that's very intense. That's very intense. You know, so I want you to know that it's all right. It's all right. You have to go from, you know, I don't know what I'm doing to now I know what I'm doing, et cetera, et cetera. You know, you just got to figure it out. And when you figure it out, it'll be just fine. You get yourself under control, man. You learn. Man, I am really greedy. I am a little fearful. I do have anxiety when I'm in a trade. I do like to hurry up and get my profit instead of letting it run the whole way. Man, Jay called 62 to 83 today, and he said it was going to get through there. And I just was impatient. Man, I missed out on the rest of it. Man, oh man, oh man. It's all right. You're growing. Be nice to yourself. Be nice. You're going to be all right. You're going to be just fine. Because the market was here before we got here. And it's going to be here way late after we leave. We don't have to own, you know what I'm saying? We got to, it's okay. If we don't get them today, we'll get them tomorrow. You know, if we make a little mistake today, that's all right. We'll be all right. We'll get it tomorrow. We'll do it. Hey, Zeno Libra, there you go. I just pinned a better link for you. Hit the link. There you go. Click that, highlight it, whatever you got to do. God is good. Get to it. For those of you all who are watching on YouTube, I love y'all too. Thanks for hanging out. All we do is make money. That's all we do. And we show love to one another. And then we teach trading. I'm really good at that. We call out trades. I'm really good at that. Make sure nobody leaves in the red. Thanks for hanging out. You all, what a great week. If you hit me with the, hey, look, share something about the room on your social media and then send me the link. Email it to me. And when you email it to me, I'm going to email you back. Hey, this is where I'm going to be tonight. And I'm going to show you how to check that turnaround. That turnaround was a big part of the day, you know. Gold, we had to play that turnaround, you know. How did he know 62 was going to be it? You know, I'm going to show you how to really cook that thing, how you're supposed to cook it. All right. Love you all so much. Clock on the wall says that's about all. The email is help@IamJTheTrader. That is right. help at IamJ, just the letter J, help at IamJTheTrader.com. If you know some of your bad brothers and sisters, they left early because I made my money, so I'm gone. Hey, tell them they better get right. They missing out on their blessing, not hanging out. The blessing is in the hangout.
Mr. DJ, guns, please.
What you say?
Guns, please.
You mean Brother DG?
That's right.
Yeah, they were coming.
Thank you.
Yeah, go.
Bomb
Yeah,
bullies,
go.
bomb bullies, bomb bullies.
World now. Let's go. Hey, I love y'all, man. I have an event tonight. Will it be recorded for those who share? Yes, it will. It will be recorded for those who share. Clock on the Wall says that's about all. I've enjoyed you all. I had a boom, boom, skeet, skeet. That's it. Your boy Jay's got a split. We all we got, but that's cool.
All we need.
All we need.
All we need.
Yeah.
We all we
$1
need.
million, baby.
Thank you, Jay.
Well, all we need.
Way to